Your event is starting, and apparently it started. Welcome, everybody! Welcome, please don't get your hopes up. I got the game, it's in my hand right now. But I am starting to think I may not be allowed to stream this. I tried looking up on the terms and conditions or whatever, but it doesn't say anything. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna quickly check the quality of my stream. I'll be right back. Hang on. But I am starting. I tried looking up the terms and conditions or whatever, but it doesn't say anything. So we'll see. Okay, I just checked the quality of the stream. It seems to be okay. Welcome. Please don't get your hopes up, because I don't know if I'm actually allowed to stream this game. I don't want to risk my account being suspended or something. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly. I still haven't even unplasticed the game. I'm just gonna do that now. Bear with me. So I think there's some installation to go as well. So I'm streaming for now to kill some time to see if my stream gets taken down without even me streaming. I don't know. New game smell. Smells gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna put the game in now. See if a prompt comes up saying you are not allowed to stream this or something. I think I got the game inside. Yeah, I do. I think I do. I am so worried. I am a bit worried, so I'm gonna try waste some time on the stream first before I can actually start playing the game. I'm worried. It's genuine concern. I'm gonna put the game in now. Maybe a prompt will come up saying, "You shouldn't be playing this now. PlayStation's gonna turn off until Tuesday." I don't know. I'm scared. Maybe I'm overreacting, perhaps. I don't know. There it is. There it is. Oh, I probably needs an hour to install or something. Come on, man. What does it say? Preparing. Okay, prepare yourself. Oh, wow. Is it installing that fast? Really? Really? I can just click. Okay, no, there's an update, of course. And this update's probably gonna get me busted, probably, for playing it early. Should I just switch off the update? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Should I just go ahead and update file? Well, there's 9 hours. Well, wow, almost 5 gigabytes of update. That's something. What if I start playing it now? What if I just press? I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna pause the download just in case, because I'm scared that this might be this might be something preventing me from playing the game. I'm gonna press start now. I'm scared. Okay, download the update file. But start the application without updating. Okay. I am scared. I am scared that my stream might be taken down or something. Hang on, let me just check some stuff. Okay, wow. I'm scared. Am I gonna get banned or something for playing this? I don't know. I get to choose the language. Okay, English. Move to the size. I don't need to do that. What's this? Here are some common features you may want to adjust before playing. These settings can always be changed in the... It keeps saying that my stream quality is bad. I don't know why. It's annoying me. Because I know I have a very good connection, so I don't know why you're telling me that. Oh, now it switched to good again. We'll see. We'll see. I'm monitoring my stream from another computer, from another internet connection, so that I don't... So I don't waste bandwidth, of course. So that's the reason why I got 2 internet connections. I kid you not. I kid you not. I am scared to start playing this game. I don't know why. Am I gonna get banned? YouTube, please let me know. Alright, there it is. There's the title screen. I'm gonna press play. But before I do, I'm gonna make myself a drink. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, we are here. I'm back, sorry. I put my glasses on, I put myself a drink. I'm having some JB Coke. It's 3:30 in the afternoon here. But I'm an adult. I can do whatever I want. I know, right? I know, right? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna press play. I'm gonna start the game and see how it goes. I'm scared. I am honestly scared. Oh my goodness, I'm very terrified because what if my channel gets taken down? I don't know. I looked up the terms and conditions. It doesn't say anything about that, but we'll see. I'm gonna take a sip. I'm sitting on the floor with my drink. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Pressing any button. Hang on, let's check the options because I want subtitles to show up. Audio. Output. No, this is not what I'm looking for. No, I want subtitles though. Difficulty moderate, subtitles on. There we go. Game hints on, tutorial hints, NPC marking, threat indicators, no HD. Okay. Once again, I'm gonna monitor the stupid stream. It says it's still good. Okay, that's fantastic. I don't know what this is. Just quickly monitoring the stream health. We're good. I think we're good. Okay. Okay, guys, before I proceed, if anybody wants to stay spoiler free, just get out of the stream, obviously, because sometimes they tell you, listen, one of the reasons why you shouldn't stream the game before release is because of spoilers. Sorry, but if you don't want to get it spoiled, don't click on my stupid stream, you know? So here we go. New game. Okay, so Explorer, you want the story and adventure but aren't interested in the challenge from combat. Camera and aim assistance settings are enabled by default. Light, moderate, hard, crushing. This mode is intended for players who want to intense challenge in combat and are experienced with controls. No, I'm not gonna go with that one for sure. Moderate. Yeah, moderate? We'll go for moderate. Lock on aim. Snap to aim when aiming. Oh, come on, I'm not a baby. I've played Uncharted games before. Camera assist. What's this? Auto aligns the camera on the direction of your movement. Isn't that how it should be, anyway? Auto aligns the camera to the direction of your movement. Vehicle camera immediately aligns the camera to the direction of the movement. I'm gonna leave it as it is. If it needs to be, I'll change it. No problem. The stream quality is worrying me. What's the stream quality like? Hang on, let me try. Check the stream quality once again. It says bad again. Why are you saying bad? Hang on, I'm gonna check my stream on the other computer. Bear with me. The thing is this, it says bad on the health of my stream. It says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming and such. And the quality is perfect on my computer. It's just running smoothly. It's not even buffering or anything like that. And I have a boss internet connection. Not trying to brag or anything, but so it's definitely not the case. Okay. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Hang on, be right back. I'm gonna keep monitoring the buffering if it buffers. It didn't even buffer once on my other computer. It didn't even buffer once. So I don't know. Maybe it's lying to me. Maybe YouTube is lying to me. Maybe YouTube is not happy I'm streaming. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave these as they are. I'm gonna not touch. Lock on aim? No, I don't need that. That's for babies. Let's go. Yeah, sure, why not? One thing I know for sure is trophies won't be available before release. So yeah, there's that. Okay. Awkward moments. It's like in the elevator. This is even more awkward, actually. Oh, it's starting. Shh, shut up, guys.
This is really not good. Hold on!
Hi, Stephanie Love. Jelly much? Well, I hope that my stream doesn't die. Because I don't know if I'm violating some sort of terms. I really don't know. Accelerate by pressing R2. I'm playing the game! Keep heading towards the island, okay. Wait, even I thought I had to wait till Tuesday, but apparently... I just texted the guy and told him, listen, do you have it now? He's like, yeah. I'm like, okay, I'm coming right now! And that's how it is. Hey, Proto Sam! Oh my goodness, this game. Am I supposed to shoot or something? Or just driving? I think I should be driving. Just driving. I don't want to wait. So I texted him, can I have it? He's like, sure. Okay. He was really cool about it. But I don't know if there are consequences to streaming this game before release. I don't know. Can I ram him? Can I ram him? Yes, I can. Oh, that works. Okay. This game is gorgeous. Woo, this is awesome. Down you go. Is the stream cool? Whoa, big balls.
I see him! Keep heading towards the island! Don't let him get in front of you!
Oh my goodness. Come on. I can't grab him. That's the big boat. Yeah, is the stream quality okay? Ooh, is the stream quality okay? Because it keeps telling me that it's... Did I die? No. Okay. Because it keeps telling me that the stream connection is bad, but on my test screen, on my other computer, it's showing perfectly. Okay, now what do I do? Hold to dive. What do I do? What do I do? I'm coming.
Hey! I'm okay! Shit, the engine's out! What? I can fix it! Just cover me! God damn it! Come on!
Oh, I have time to shoot. Almost ahead. There we go. I really love this game.
Oh shit!
That's what I've been told. Hey, King Tim, how are you? Yeah, it does look great. I know, but it's just. How are you, King Tim? I need to reload. Okay. Whoa. Oh,
Sam,
yeah.
how's the engine?
Okay, whoa.
Come on.
Duck or something. He's gone. Do I drive now? Yes, I do. Let's go.
Yeah, come on! Get us out of here! Head straight to the island!
I'm glad it looks amazing. Thanks for the feedback, guys. Thanks for the feedback.
Dead ahead! I can barely see out there!
There's an island. And there's a rock iceberg!
Shit! Get them off of us! Doing the best I can here!
Oh my goodness, am I risking my YouTube channel being suspended by playing this early? I don't know, I'm worried. I'm really worried. Oh, oops.
On your right! Watch it!
No!
Oh shit! Thank God!
Nathan, Nathan. What are we gonna do with you? You must be tired of these lectures. I know I'm tired of giving them. And now you have to stay here with me all weekend instead of going on the retreat with everyone else?
I don't care.
Yes, that is the crux of the problem.
I don't see why I'm the only one being punished.
Because you started the fight.
He wouldn't give me back my book.
I told you to leave those books in your room. You only have yourself to blame.
Doesn't give him the right to just snatch it from me.
Does that give you the right to start throwing punches?
It wasn't just
He
about
looks
the book.
gorgeous.
What was it then?
Nothing. I'll save it for confession.
No matter what I try, you seem insistent on going down the same sad road as your brother. What a waste.
Sam!
That's it, I control Nate now. Again. There we go, chapter 1, and I control little Nate once again. Like in the 4th game, if I'm not mistaken. The thing is, Sam, when you try to stream it from the PlayStation, you know how it has the inbuilt, the inbuilt capture thingy, you know? It doesn't let you. It doesn't even let you record. Before I got my capture card, I tried streaming. Well, actually, when I was too lazy to set my capture card, I tried streaming natively from the PlayStation, and it just wouldn't let me. Not even record footage, you know, or upload. I didn't let me record it, but it wouldn't let me upload. So I had to use the capture card anyway before. So I was like, I don't know. I was just worried. That's all. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep streaming for a while. And we'll see how that goes. Yeah, Tim, it's worth getting a PS4 just for this game. Trust me, I'm an engineer. Come on, get in. You see, the thing is this: I can't focus on reading chat and reasoning whilst playing the game, so I'll end up walking around till I say something. And anyway, so this guy lives with nuns apparently. It looks gorgeous, man. The game looks gorgeous. Look at that.
I see you.
Look at that. I wanted to stream at 60 frames per second. For some reason it didn't work. I don't know why. Anyway.
Up and around we go. Whoa!
And perhaps make a run
Too
jump.
slippery.
Nope. Too slippery. Nate is right. Maybe up here? Yeah, but again, Sam, when the media gets that early, what am I doing now? When the media gets it early, it's usually for reviewing purposes. So I'm reviewing it, guys. I'm reviewing it for you guys. I don't know.
Can't go this
You can't
way.
go this way, yeah. So what do we do? Okay. Oh yeah, a little slide. Look at this. Whee! Camera assist, options, camera controls. I don't want to do that for now. If I find it annoying, I will enable it, yes. Well, let's go visit Sam. Apparently Sam was his childhood friend.
Okay, nice and quiet.
No way to crouch. I know, King Tim, eh? I know, it looks gorgeous. It really looks gorgeous, my goodness.
Isn't it our job to help boys like him?
In the meantime, I'm neglecting the other dozen boys under my care.
What do you want me to do?
You know my opinion.
I'm not
So it's safe
ready
to assume
give
that
up on
Nate
this.
was raised as a
You
Catholic.
can't keep avoiding
Guys, can
it.
you hear me okay? What's the audio like? Is it, am I overpowering the, hang on.
Talk to me in the morning.
Whoops. Just when I said, I was gonna say, is the audio okay? Is it overpowering my voice or am I overpowering the game? Whatever. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I thought she was gonna see me. That was a bit, hang on. So I was raised as a Catholic. Let's go. I thought you streamed from a capture card, Sam. Don't you? How do you stream then? I saw the overlays and stuff. Can't you only do that with OBS? I don't know. I'm a noob. No. Don't
Damn
swear.
it.
Oh, Nate. Is there something here?
Whoa. It's my file.
Let's read it. St. Francis Boys Home. Behaviour report form. Funny enough, the school I used to go was a Catholic school and it was called St. Francis. How funny. St. Francis Boy Home. Behaviour report form. I caught a glimpse of Edward waving one of Nathan's books around, teasing the young boy. Nathan immediately leapt on Edward, knocking the larger boy down. I ran over to separate the boys, but not before they both managed to pummel each other. Okay. Okie doke. Back. Can I just turn it around or something? Rotate. Can I rotate? Rotate, rotate, rotate. It doesn't. Let me rotate. Doesn't rotate. Put away. Thanks for the feedbacking, Tim. Thanks for the feedback. Anything else? No. We're good to go. The door is locked, so this is the only way in. Right? I have no sense of orientation of direction. I came from this way, yeah? Okay. The door is locked over there. This is where I came from. Okay. Take cover. Let's get to the window. It's not like there's anybody. There's nobody, eh?
Come on.
Move it, sister.
Move it,
What's
sister.
it? Oh, there's the sister. I didn't see the sister. Come on, move it. Seriously, move it, sister. Is she having a cigarette? Are you kidding me? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. Actually, this is coming from a guy who actually... I trained martial arts. A priest actually taught me martial arts. And he used to smoke a cigar. Like Wolverine. He kind of looked like Wolverine, actually. Not Hugh Jackman, like Wolverine. Okay, just so we're clear. Oh, that's very smart, Sam. So you only started doing that recently, eh? That is very smart. I was thinking of doing that, but that's a waste of bandwidth, huh? That is a waste of bandwidth because it wastes bandwidth to stream it to your computer, and then you use more bandwidth to stream it to us. Yeah, it actually did. That actually crossed my mind. Yes. Oh, yeah, I have 2 computer monitors, but how many internet connections do you have? You probably have 1, eh? But that's very smart. It did cross my mind to do that because I was so lazy to set up my capture card. Honestly, I am lazy. What am I going to do with this sister? She won't move. What am I going to do? Finish up the cigarette. I'm actually waiting for her to finish up the cigarette. Oh, man. What do I do? What do I do? Ugh! I got spotted.
Nathan. You're in big trouble, young man.
Was I supposed to get busted? No. No, I wasn't. Okay, hang on. Come on, quick. Again, I got busted. Oh, dang it.
Nathan.
Ah, dang
You're
it.
in big trouble.
What am I supposed to do? I really don't know what I'm supposed to do. Come on, run. I did it. She almost saw me. I'm a boss. Okay. Okay. He's having a cigarette. I should be that should be the one telling you off. Hang on, I have a sip. Busted again.
Nathan! You're in big trouble.
Okay, that's good. What am I gonna do? To roll out. Okay. So when she... I need to roll out. Now. Come on! Ooh, that worked fine. Okay, now I know how to roll. Keep rolling. Whoa. She almost saw me. This reminds me of Far Cry.
Sister Catherine?
Ah, okay.
Darn.
Oh, no.
Sister Catherine, I've forgotten my keys again. Can you open the gate for me?
Coming, Father.
Yeah, now she's gonna reek of cigarettes. She's gonna get busted anyway. I hope she gets busted. Alright, now's the chance. Out, Nate, out! I probably need to drop one. Okay, drop another. Alright. Hey, Sean Slaughter! Nice to see you, thanks for stopping by. You are awesome for stopping by, thank you so much. I'm playing Uncharted 4. I don't know if it's illegal for me to play it right now, but yeah, we'll see. If you're enjoying the stream, guys, I appreciate a like. Last stream, you know when I streamed... how do I get up there? Last time when I streamed, what's it called? I think I have to go the other way around. Let's see. I streamed... Oh my goodness, I'm blanking out. I'm having brain farts. I streamed Resident Evil, what's it called? Gun Survivor. I think I was trolled by some guy because in one hour or something, I got 11 thumbs down. It probably was the same guy or something, I don't know. Hey, LB Gaming. Listen, LB Gaming, I love you, man. Thank you for stopping by, but we're gonna try to keep it English only in here, okay? For everyone, so you can understand. Even I am Maltese like you, my friend, but I will keep it in English so everybody can understand, we can understand each other and all that. Because people can get angry, you know. Fair enough. So do I get up here from here? No! Nathan! So yeah, I'm playing some Uncharted 4. Ahead of release, yes. And I made plans for the weekend, guys. You are in big trouble. Am I? Maybe I am, I don't know. But I made plans for the weekend and now I don't. I don't have plans for the weekend now. Oh, this is where I was supposed to go, look. Come on, get up there, Nate. Little Nate. Oh yeah? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Almost there. Yes, get up there. Come on. You can do this. No. It always happens. I was gonna say that. I was gonna say it probably breaks midway, halfway through. Anyway, yeah, it looks gorgeous, man. This is how you...
Sam?
Is that Sam? Where's Sam? What is this? No, not everybody is Maltese. No, Pixelsoft. No, not everybody is Maltese. I kid you not. Last night, hang on. Let's watch this scene.
Who's that? Really? Again?
It's nothing.
You told me you'd stay out of trouble, though.
He was talking shit about us.
So?
He said that Dad dumped us here because we're worthless, and Mom is in hell because...
Nathan, come on. They're just saying it because it gets to you. All right? You just gotta learn to laugh it off.
You wouldn't.
I'll do as I say, not as I do. Here. You'll catch a cold.
So, what are you doing here like this anyway? If the nuns catch you, they're gonna call the cops.
Well, I got something for you, and it couldn't wait till Christmas.
What?
It's outside.
What happened to us staying out of trouble?
This is an exception.
Mm-hmm.
Do I follow him?
Nice jump.
As I was saying, Pixelsoft, sorry. No, not everybody is Maltese, and that's the thing. I started out this channel by speaking only Maltese because I wanted to be unique. Oh, a Maltese YouTube channel, and people liked it. But I was restricting my audience to only a tiny, teeny, tiny island on the planet, and that was not good for me. That was not. I wanted more views than just a couple of people watching, a couple of Maltese people. So I switched to English, and my viewership increased, and even my subscribers increased. But the thing is this. I checked last night my YouTube analytics to see who's viewing most my channel, blah blah blah, and it's actually not Maltese. It's Americans. Thank you, Americans. Raise your hand if you're American, and I'm gonna clap for you. All right, I should be going up here. Yeah. He was waiting for me. Sorry, Sam.
You might. This is just feeding you enough.
Thank you all for stopping by, guys.
The place is kind of empty. Where's everyone?
Some Bible retreat.
Yeesh. I remember those.
Jump. So Sam and Nate were childhood friends, apparently. Go.
How's Father Duffy doing?
He's the one decent guy in there. You should come and say hi.
Nah, I don't need the guilt.
What do I do now? I'll turn around. Come on, you can do it, Nate. Come on, do it. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. There you go. We got to King Tim. He's American.
This way.
Ooh, slide. Whee!
We're getting there. That was easy. Come on. Damn.
You didn't prop it.
I did. At least I thought I did. No, it doesn't matter. We're gonna take the high road.
The high road?
Just follow me. Watch this.
Awesome. So the game's gonna teach me how to
We take the high road.
use the rope now.
Have you done this before?
Well, better
Once or
than me. I never
twice.
tried this. I want to try this in real life. I mean.
Yeah, come on.
You see, your gods it in. Ah, that's good to know, Pixelsoft. I didn't know that. Okay, here we go. You see, I think you're the only one, Maltese, right now. Pixelsoft in this stream. L1 to hold. Okay. Wasn't I holding anyway? I'm still holding anyway, so this doesn't make sense really, but whatever, game, whatever you think is best. Go up there. Go. Ah, okay, I have to go through here. Sam is a bad influence. I had a friend who was like this, huh? A bad influence.
So, what you been
But
up
he wasn't as good as
Where have you
parkour as
most-
this guy.
to? Still dating that girl?
Oh, Crystal? On again, off again. Currently.
Currently off again. Slide.
Okay. No guts. No glory.
Let's do it as well. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
No. Did
Just don't think about it. You got this.
I don't know if it was me who actually hesitated or actually Nathan did, but we're gonna try. Here we go. 1, 2.
I got you.
This is just practice for the future adventures.
See? No big deal.
Yeah. Nothing to it.
Stay with me. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Are we on the clock tower? Yes, we are. How awesome.
Through here.
Right behind you.
What's this? Push towards goal. What's that? Alright, so that's it. Just crouch by pressing 0.
There's a jump coming up.
Okay.
Where'd he go? There he is. Oh, cool. Now what?
Okay. Right down the middle.
Up
Nice
here?
and
Yeah,
easy.
up here. Let's go.
Nice and easy.
How do I have this game? I went to the store and I bought it. I'm kidding. It's supposed to be released. You see, I put the controller down when I talk. I am just like that. It's supposed to be released on Tuesday, so you probably get it on Tuesday anyway, just like everyone else. But I don't know. My supplier just texted him like, "Can I get it? Can I get it today?" He's like, at first he was like, "I don't know. They've been sent, but I don't know," and all that. And I'm like, "That's fine. That's fine. I don't want to pressure you. It's just, it's just that I can't wait to play this game." And he goes, "I know. I understand." And that's it. And I text him back, "Have a nice day." And he texts me back. He's like, "I am sure you will too." I'm like, "What's that supposed to mean?" I'm like, "What's that supposed to mean?" I'm like, "Maybe, I don't know." He's like, "I'm sure you will too." Am I gonna hold on to him or something? What's this? You're gonna give me the... Come on, give me.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
So yeah, that's... Whee! I did it. I don't know how, but I did it. Come on, your turn, Sam. Ooh, I did better than you, actually. I think he needs some help. Do you need some help? He won't come up. Do you need some help, man? But I don't know. I'm just gonna progress without you, buddy. Bye! Where is he? Why is he not coming up? I don't know why. Sam, come on! That's right. Awesome people first. Let's see if I get my YouTube channel suspended for this. I'm worried. Why is Sam not coming up? I don't know. Am I supposed to help him or something? I am worried about Sam. Not you, Proto Sam. Sam in the game. Oh, man. I think he needs a hand, but I know how to help him. Let's try. Do you need the hand, buddy? Looks like he's stuck or something. Sam, are you stuck? Get up. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, honestly. Is the game glitched out? It looks like it is, my goodness. I don't know why, but... Look, why aren't you climbing like this, buddy? Is something wrong with you? I don't know, I'm gonna progress anyway. I'll see if I can go ahead without him. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna see if I can progress without him. Nope. Doesn't look like I can go this way. Nope. 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 Yeah. Are you the same Sam? Oh, look. Now he's on. I think it was the game. He glitched out. That's what happened. I wonder if I could progress without him anyway.
The steeple. Come on.
I can't jump that high.
Just go around the corner.
Aw. Poor Nate, he can't reach, so he has to go around. Don't worry, buddy. Oh, they're gonna crack? They're gonna crack. They're gonna crack? Yes? No? Alright, I made it.
It's a nice view, huh?
Yeah. Not bad.
Where'd he go? Sam, where'd you go? Maybe this way? Let's go this way. We'll see. Nope. That way. Uh-oh. Now I made a boo-boo. No, I made a boo-boo now. Did I? I think I did. I have to go around again. No worries. I'll leave that up to you. I'll leave that up to you, Isaac. I'll leave that up to you to give me the to spread the word and have this stream with 1 million views. And you know what? I'm putting the controller down to explain myself again because that's what I always do. You know what? Before I start the stream, I'm like, I wonder how many people are actually streaming the game before I do. I'm not the only one, probably, yeah? So I searched Twitch, nobody's streaming this game. I searched YouTube Gaming, and nobody's streaming this game. I seem to be the only one. That's why I'm so scared of streaming this game. Maybe, I don't know. I'm overthinking this, I don't know. I don't know.
You ever
Yeah,
been up here
so
before?
anyway, you guys seem to be the only one interested in looking at Uncharted before everyone else.
You
Now
know
what do
where
I do?
you're going, right?
More or less.
Sam.
You wait here and you watch me.
Whoa, did he die? Can you imagine if he fails and I have to do it again because of him? My turn. Leap of faith. Bye. Why did I die and he didn't? Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, I need to jump. Okay, this is just practice for me too. Let's go. I can do this. I steer, and I jump!
I did it.
Of course you did.
Let's go.
Follow me. You know what?
Sure.
How about you
I can
take
do
this
anything.
Really?
one? Yeah, really.
I want to
I'll
throw.
follow your lead.
Where do I throw this? Okay, so I hold L1. So I just press L1 actually, that's it, okay? Attaboy, Nathan. And then what?
Attaboy, Nathan.
Alright, I'm just gonna jump. We'll see.
Okay.
While reaching it, safe to jump. What am I supposed to do? I think I'm supposed to swing actually. Hang on, let's try again. I did it! Wow. The swinging is awesome actually. So easy to control. Yes, it is the first chapter, Isaac. Or would you rather I call you Navon or Navon? Whatever you want, man. Is he here yet? Oh, he is. I was just looking at chat and I didn't see him.
All right.
After me? Okay.
After
what?
you.
I go down here. Head down.
Now,
Okay.
head down.
I love doing this. It is the first chapter. It's a flashback apparently.
Just like that. We're out.
All right.
Just like that. That was a chore actually.
Now. Huh?
Whoa, you got the 250?
250? What are you talking about? No, this is the 500cc twin.
No way. Where'd you lift it from?
Whoa. That's a low blow. But hey, I'll have you know that I am a changed man. Bought this with hard-earned cash. Yeah, come on, take a seat. What?
The only time you pull a stunt like this is when you're trying to make up for something.
You are too smart for your own good, you know that? Alright. I got this job. Pays well. Really well. But, gotta leave town for a little bit.
What's a little bit?
Like, a year. At the most, and then I'll be back before you even know it, alright?
You're bailing on me.
Come on, don't be so dramatic.
What, so it wasn't bad enough to leave me in that place? How could you do this to me, Sam?
Wait, I'm doing this for you. The money I make is for the both of us. And then in a couple of years, when you're out...
Years? Take me with you.
I can barely support myself.
I'll pitch in.
I know you think the orphanage sucks.
You have no idea.
Yeah, but it's the best thing for you right now. Alright? Just gotta trust me on that one.
It's not fair.
Yeah. Nothing about our lives has been fair. But we've made it work. Right?
Sure.
Well, you know, the bike wasn't the only surprise. And I guess I'm gonna have to ruin the next one.
What?
I found Mom's stuff. Everything that Dad sold, I tracked down the buyer.
If you're saying this just to make me feel better,
I swear to God.
where?
On the other side of town. What do you say we go and get it back?
You mean steal it?
It's not stealing if it was ours to begin with.
I'm pretty sure the cops aren't gonna see it that way.
Well, then let's not get caught. You ready for this?
Hell yeah.
Flash forward.
Esto va a estar más fácil de lo que esperaba, ¿eh?
He ended up in prison.
You're gonna have to do it better than that, pal.
Acabemos con
Alright,
esto.
we're gonna practice combat
Let's
apparently
go.
now. But before I attack, he's not gonna
Va a ser
attack me. I'm gonna put the
divertido.
controller down before I... No puedes conmigo.
No
English
puedes
only in this
conmigo.
stream, I said, okay? Okay, what was I
Tú
gonna
lo
say?
empezaste, pero yo voy a
I wanted to
acabarlo.
address a few things. King Tim, you have a very good imagination. What if Nathan was
nuevo,
Nathan Jr.? I hope not, because that would mean that Nathan Drake is a terrible father, so hopefully not. And Pixelsoft, I am very aware that sometimes my voice, whatever I say, goes before the action of the game. I need to fix something in the settings. Something changed. I don't know what. I tried to avoid delay, but instead now I made it that I speak from the future. I am very aware of that, Pixel. I'm very aware of that. Big brothers suck. I know. Let's attack. Booyah! 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 Surprise! I didn't expect that. Come on.
Este gringo sabe pelear, ¿eh?
Come on. Come. Whoop, whoop. Ooh, escape strike.
¿Está
Okay.
esto?
Boom! Boom! Uh-oh.
Vuelve ahí. A ver cómo te sales de esta. ¿Qué tal esto?
Asshole, let go of me!
¡Gánenmelo!
This is awesome. I never knew him that on prison, Nate. This is awesome. This game is awesome.
That's smart.
How do you dodge? I am coming. Come on. Oh, no, this is not dodging. Let's try again.
Put me in, coach.
Sí, Gustavo.
No, no, there's no dodging here. But I will... How do you do that? Okay, I'm coming. How does he dodge? I want to dodge like him.
Esto es por meterte con nosotros.
Acaba con él.
Ahora sí, pendejo. Te vas a arrepentir.
Sí, Gustavo. Shit!
Te voy a matar, come mierda. Te voy a cerrar la bocota,
I'm
gringo.
hitting the triangle as much as I can. Hang on. Alright, there you go.
My turn. ¡Ya basta, idiota! ¡Suéltenme!
We weren't fighting, huh? Right, little guy?
Te voy a matar, gringo, come mierda.
Hey, give me a call when you're tall enough to ride the rides.
Te voy a sacar tiras por el culo.
¡Solitaria! ¡Cállalo!
Te voy a estar esperando aquí, ¿eh?
I love Nathan Drake's sense of humor. It's fantastic. I never played Quantum Break, and I don't think I ever will, King Tim.
Abre.
Come on. How long am I supposed to be in here? Huh? Where's the toilet?
You looking at it?
So the warden is the toilet. Haha! Get it? Gracias.
Gracias.
Get it?
Get up. I was having a great dream, too.
Hey. All right, easy. Ah.
Looks like I have to follow him now. Do I?
All right.
Cálmate. Wow, chapter 2 already. So yeah, there is a setting that I need to mess with. Because apparently there's something to fix delay, but apparently I set it up ahead now.
any
I
chance I
actually
can take a
speak a
shower?
bit faster than the game. It's like I'm from the future, I know. I'm gonna put the controller down for a bit. I'm gonna quickly make myself a drink. I'll be right back. Stay where you are. The stream is just starting. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry it took longer than, you know, I was supposed to just pour a drink, but I actually shared it on social media now. I shared it on my Facebook and my Twitter, and no, Twitter is already there, but I've shared it on a couple of PlayStation groups. I said, spoiler alert, but come hang out. Alright, I made myself a drink. And I have an ice cube of the TIE fighters from Star Wars. Leftover ice cubes from Star Wars Day. I had a party at my place. That's why. Anyway, let's go.
Morning, boys. Or is it evening? It's hard to tell down here.
Oye, idiota. Get up the stairs.
I'm loving it too, Isaac. I really am.
Abran la reja.
Hi, Tzu. Thank you for coming. Nice having you. Spoiler alert, of course. We're playing some
Hey, nice to see you.
Uncharted 4 ahead of time, apparently. If you're enjoying the content, or the sound of my voice, or
Humid.
whatever, feel free to like and subscribe.
Hey, gringo. Vi lo que hiciste a Gustavo.
Are they gonna make me fight again?
Hey, Vargas, déjanoslo a nosotros. Nos encargamos de él.
Muévanse. Quítense, cabrones.
Tranquilízate.
Looks like you have some fans.
Yeah, my adoring public.
What? 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 You want a piece of me? Huh? Huh? What? Abre la reja.
Abre la reja.
¿A dónde lo llevas?
Es una sorpresa.
Diviértete.
You speak a little Spanish, you know. Wait, what did you say?
You'll find out soon enough.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna get beaten up. Where's Michael Scofield when you need him?
¿Qué está mirando?
Nada, amigo. Nothing.
Atrás. De este me encargo yo.
Bien.
Can I just... I was just gonna check him out. He won't let me. No, which way? This way? I'm gonna go this way. See what happens. Nope. You go that way. But what if I change my mind and I still want to go this way? No, he will push me.
Where are you taking me?
You'll see.
What if I want to go here? I want to go here. Can I go here? No? I'm trying to be difficult. Not that way? No way. Which way? Which way? Oh, okay. So why didn't you open the door? I wanted to go there initially.
After you.
No, it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same.
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all.
And this is how...
Hey, you know, this doesn't look like the
this is how you make a
office.
game. I don't care about all the delays it took to actually... But you get it right. You get it right. I'd rather they take their time. They delay it as much as possible. You know, it takes guts. It takes guts to tell millions of fans saying, listen, we're going to delay the game. It takes a lot of guts to do that. And
Through here?
because they are very confident of their end product at the end of the day, and look what you get. Look what you end up with, you know? So what? I don't care about the delays. It's worth the wait. People are very upset right now with Mighty Number 9.
Right. Hey, take these cuffs off or what?
And
I
what?
want in.
In?
Whatever you hope to find up there, I want in.
Come on, Vargas, the deal was just to get us in and out of here. That's it.
Just? I'm sticking my neck out for you gringos.
Yeah, and Rafe is paying you a lot of money for your trouble.
See? But not nearly enough.
You were told not to open that.
Yes. I was also told not to take bribes, not to bring anyone here, and not to beat on my inmates. But here we are.
Just be careful with that. It's 300 years old.
I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. You know who that is?
He was a pirate.
The pirate who pulled off the biggest heist in history and got away with it. I looked him up.
That's great.
Over
Can we-
$400 million worth of gold and jewels, all from one single ship. The Gunsway.
Yeah. I'm familiar with the story. Can you get to the point?
I occupied the highest cell in the Spanish prison. Here. I hope someday you will find your way into this infernal place, bear my cross, and discover The riches of paradise.
What? What do you want?
The riches of paradise.
It's a metaphor.
No. You and your friends did not pay to get into this infernal place in search of a metaphor. I want in.
All right. I'll tell you what. Let me go up there, check out the prison cell. If there's still anything there after 300 years, you can take this up with Rafe. Come on.
He's gonna fall for it. You don't trust Nate. You don't. You don't.
Letter. Por favor.
How you gonna get up there anyways?
Climb. Oh, unless, of course, you want to do it, since you want in and all.
Just don't break your neck.
That's the plan. Hey, did you bring what I asked?
Yeah. Eat it just over there. Under the work table.
Okay.
By the crates.
Great.
Here we go. Fantastic. Looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful. And now we get to see it in daylight. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Breathtaking, if I do say so myself.
There we go, piece of cake.
Look at the little birdie. Birdie! It's gorgeous. Anyway. Whoa, almost found the well. Well. Anyway, so what's in here? Bingo.
Bingo.
Now we're
Now
in business. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to do this. And where do I hang it? What about this one?
All right, this should do the trick.
Just like Uncharted, not Uncharted, just like The Last of Us, the control, how you move the little thing. Just like The Last of Us. Hello, Ferry. Thank you for stopping by. I bought it from a shop. No, it's coming out. It's coming out on. Ooh, I almost dropped my headset. It's coming out on Tuesday, the 10th of May. But the guy I buy it from, he's like, "Hey, it's here. You can go and get it." And I was in bed, lazing about. I'm like, "I'm coming." Here we go. Ooh, I said it before he did this time. It wasn't because of play. I did say it before he did. Okay. It is beautiful. They are nice graphics. And when I read the reviews, I read the reviews on IGN, if I'm not mistaken, and it did say it's the best PlayStation game, visually speaking, best PlayStation game to date. And I think I agree. Before this was Star Wars Battlefront. Here we go. Whoop! I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Okay, get up there. I pleased my supplier. My supplier is awesome. I mean, awesome, but he's cool. He's good. Probably listening. So I better say he's cool. His name is Matt. Thank you, Matt, for hooking me up. Sometimes he watches my content.
Looks like I can slide down.
Slide and hook. Slide and hook. You can do this, Ken. You can do this. You can do this. Oh, I did it! Oh, I did it!
Wait till Sam hears about this.
Wait till Sam hears about this, huh? Get up there, buddy.
Onward and upward.
You know who says onward and upward? Oh, look at the ocean, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna pause it, so I actually enjoy the view while I go pee. Be right back. Holy crap, I got 27 people watching. I just told 27 people I'm going to pee. And I still haven't peed, so I'm still going. Be right back. And I'm back. Alright, we'll have to pee if we didn't get a drink earlier. It's true. It's true. The thing is, I'll have me a drink while playing the game. I'm sorry. Beer actually makes me pee a bit more. So I'm just having some JB. JB Coke. Coke Zero. You know, to avoid the sugars. Anyway, so to those of you watching for the first time, please feel free to subscribe. I set the sub alerts. I don't know if they're working though. I really don't know if they're working. Where do I go from here? I really don't know. Ooh, no, I don't think it's that way. I'm trying to figure out where I need to go, but... Oh my goodness, where am I supposed to go? I'm confused. Alright, up there perhaps. I think it's up there. I think I need to go up there. Hang on before you give me a hint. Game. I'm just gonna see if it's this way. Yeah, it is this way. It is this way. No need for hints. You see, game? Booyah!
Well, gotta find the highest cell.
Alright, this way.
Hard to believe there were dozens of pirates holed up in here, just waiting to be hanged.
Ooh. Come on, Nate, come on, you can do this. Don't be a No! I thought I was gonna fall. Alright, do I go in from here? Yeah, I think I do.
Okay, where to?
Dive into the water, yeah, right. Speaking of backseating, obviously I hate backseating, but I know you were kidding. But the best thing about playing a game that it hasn't been released yet is that nobody gets to backseat. Haha! I dare you to backseat. I'm holding L1 and I'm pulling back, but it's not working. There we go. I dare you to backseat right now. I think I'm gonna dive into the water. It looks gorgeous. I'm tempted to take a snapshot.
Alright, not gonna lie.
Of course it is, man.
This is pretty awesome.
Of course it is. Up there, up there. Okay, go. No, 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 no.
Oh man, Sam is missing out.
Do I get in?
Here we go. Burns' cell. Cell? More like a suite. Okay. Where to begin?
I dare you to backseat, King Tim. Backseat, come on. Backseat.
Must mean something.
There's something here. Pokemon Sun and Moon, they're coming out very soon.
Alchemy symbols for gold and silver. Wait a sec. I saw something like this on the letter. Huh. Well, that's part of the symbol. Ah, there's the other half. Now then. That's more like it. Okay, got a zodiac symbol. Sagittarius. And the Scorpio sign.
The first puzzle. What did he say about the Sagittarius again? I already got the puzzle, but I just want to check something. What did he say? Did he say the first symbol? He did say the first symbol, so I'm assuming it's number 1, the Roman number 1, which is this one. Nope. But did he say the first symbol and the... No, actually it does say over there, it's an X. An X1, hang on, I can do this. So it's that symbol and the little M, that looks like an M. So yeah, it's the X and the X1. X and the X1. So that means X is 10. X is 10. Where's the 10? X, where's 10? X is 10. This one. No, no, that one. That one.
Roman numeral 10.
Nothing, really?
Nothing.
Yeah, I did check the
Say
letter.
again.
The little arrow thingy is X. That should be the one, come on. I'll try again, just in case. Oh, come on, man. It won't let me now. It won't let me push it again, because... what's that?
The Scorpio sign. And a Roman numeral.
I don't know if you can hear him. It's the ice cream truck. Does anybody want ice cream? 10, I guess. Yes, 10 is... Does anybody want an ice cream? There's the ice cream truck outside. 10. The Roman number is 10. But it wasn't it, so... maybe 2? I'm gonna press 2 now. Where's 2? 2. 2. There it is. There's number 2 here.
Roman numeral 2.
This is strange. I'm not getting this. You did miss something on the letter. Let's take a look again. Do I need to add them, perhaps? So it's 10 plus 2, so 12. So x11, perhaps? Let's see. x11 would be 12. x11. So this one?
10 and 2.
I knew it. I knew it. I'm a boss. Everybody bow down to me right now. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't get up. Don't get up. Make yourselves comfortable. crucifix.
Would you look at that?
Flip.
Digna factis recipimus.
What does it say? Rotate. Trying to rotate. Okay, never mind.
Guess this is it. Time to head back. Come on. Gotta watch that first step.
So I do this, rappel down. Hold L1.
Down we go.
Now we just swing, buddy.
Now what?
We just swing. Go. King bows for no one. It's true, you are the king. Actually, I bow to you. You are right, king. I bow to you. Hang on, because I left my other computer so I can monitor my own stream, and I left the volume on, and I am annoying my voice. I'm annoying my voice. My voice is annoying me. Hang on, I'm gonna switch it off. I'm back, and no Uncharted 4 something update. I will not install you. I don't know what that is, but I won't install it. I don't know what that might be. I don't want to install it. What if it's, maybe it's trophies, I don't know. Because if you notice, there are no trophies yet in the game, because I'm playing it ahead of release. Can I just go down anyway? Just go down. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 that's my fault. That's totally my fault. That's totally my fault. I should have gone this way. Hang on. Careful, careful, Nate.
Careful.
Whoa! So... You see, this is what I should have done, look. Now I jump, stare, 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 and jump!
One more time. Let's see Rafe do that.
So awesome. Hang on. Yeah, Isaac, it's just probably some patch. Hey, Cadex! Hey, Cadex! This guy is awesome. He's funny and all that. Nice to see you, Cadex. Thanks for stopping by. We're playing some Uncharted ahead of release. I was scared that I might get in trouble because of this, but so far so good. I've been streaming for 1 hour 16 minutes, going on 17 in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 1 hour 17, there we go. And so far the stream is still up. My channel is still on. I'm still kind of worried, but hey, what the heck. We'll see what happens. Push. Yeah, as I was saying, sorry, I got distracted by someone else's comment. The update is probably just some patches, you know, some patches or bug fixes or something like that. Like earlier, did you notice how Sam was following me and at one point he just wouldn't climb? He just wouldn't climb. I had to die and then he climbed. So probably it's just some random patches of certain bug fixes. And probably installs the trophies perhaps as well. So yeah. Okay, apparently I need to swing again. No, but that guy is waiting for me. It's the warden, yeah?
There's Vargas. I want a cut. I want in.
I'll give you in. What's he gonna do? Nate, if it's up to me, I wouldn't trust you, but we'll see if it's okay to trust you. I don't think it's okay to trust you, though. We'll see. Alright, I know what I need to do. Whew, wow, look at that. Here we go.
Oh, crap. No.
No! No! I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. It's always the same, Isaac. When you purchase a game, the first thing that happens is you need to install an update. It was like 5 gigabytes or something. It was 5 gigabytes. Hey, maybe that's why this stream was a bit bad earlier, like, because YouTube was telling me that the stream is not good enough or something, and I just realized it was probably updating the update file. Ooh, there we go, we did it.
Made
it. They saw me playing. No, I think that if they saw me playing, Isaac, I think if they saw me playing, they would take down my stream probably. That's what I think would happen if they actually saw. Sorry, Naughty Dog, but I'm a big fan. Hey, Mark Alexander, thank you for stopping by. I'm loving this game. Yeah, I don't want to reach chapter 3. I'm on chapter 2, by the way. I don't want to reach chapter 3 because I want this game to last as long as possible. So I'm here now. Where do I go from now? From here? No, not from here. For sure. Up there? Yes, okay. This game is gorgeous, man. So I don't blame you, Mark. Now we're talking. We'll go up there. And we go through here. I did the sub alerts, but I don't think they're working. So if anybody subscribes, I don't know if they're gonna show up. There he is. We're here.
You made it. What'd you find? Greg? What?
Place was picked clean. If there's a clue hidden up there somewhere, I couldn't find it.
Are you sure? Were you looking in the right place?
Maybe I missed something in the letter. It could have been another tower that collapsed centuries ago.
Yeah.
There any plans to this place? You know, like blueprints?
Could be. There's a bunch of old files.
Okay, great. Go look through those, okay? See what you can dig up. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Sam. He's our Avery expert. Maybe he can make sense of this whole mess.
Right. I'll look through the files.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Yeah.
He's playing him already. My goodness, Nate. I love Nate. Hi, Ashy. Thank you for coming. We're playing some Uncharted ahead of release. As I've been telling everyone. Welcome to the stream.
To him. Come and find me.
You got it.
Gringo, if I catch you fighting one more time, 1 week in the hole for you.
That's what they call it, the hole. They call it the hole when they put them in isolation, like in a solitary confinement, something like that. Yeah.
Puedo decir, ¿eh? Suerte de principiante, ¿verdad?
Hijo de puta.
Lo siento, chicos. Tengo que irme.
Claro, te vas cuando estás ganando.
Para ti, ¿eh?
Jesus, they worked you over.
Good, you all right?
Just another day at the office. Come on.
Hey, whoa. You're not gonna keep me in suspense, are you?
You were right.
No, we were right.
No.
We just gotta find Rafe.
No,
and...
Rafe.
Don't start, please.
Oh, come on. Like you said, we did this. You and me. Now this rich asshole comes in on the tail end.
How long have we been trying to get in here?
We had some leads.
No, we didn't. Okay, not one. So like it or not, no Rafe, no Vargas, and no getting in here.
Speaking of Vargas, we got a problem.
What kind of problem? Did he let you into the old prison?
Yeah, he did.
Oh.
After he read the letter.
So how much does he know?
Enough that he wants a cut.
Shit. Rafe, if anybody else finds out about this...
I'll work it out with Vargas. Don't sweat it. Right now, let's get on to more important matters.
All right. Let's find somewhere a little more private.
Yeah.
All right, coast is clear.
Okay, so what do we got?
Oh, shit.
Huh? Hey,
I'm guessing there's a map
Yeah.
hidden inside. I'm guessing there's a map. You need to break the thing.
just be careful, okay?
Wood with gold and silver inlay. It's well made. It's hollow. Why would one of Avery's men go through the trouble of hiding a cheap crucifix?
It's not a crucifix. Technically, a crucifix is a representation of Jesus. It's not Jesus.
Well, you're right. There's no crown of thorns. He's tied to the cross. Well, if it's not Jesus, then
Read the inscription.
Interesting.
Digna factus recipimus. We receive.
We receive the due rewards of our deeds.
Look at you.
That's the benefit of growing up in a Catholic
There you go.
orphanage. That's St. Dismas.
Yeah, penitent thief. What's the connection?
Guys, let's just pretend I skipped all of Sunday school.
Okay, during the crucifixion, Jesus is placed between two thieves, okay? One of them mocked Jesus. The other one, this guy, was penitent. Okay, he accepted his punishment with grace.
And Jesus brought him to paradise.
Penitent thief.
Yeah.
What? You figured it out?
There is a cathedral of St. Dismas in Scotland.
Wait, the last sighting of Avery was in Scotland.
That can't be a coincidence.
You know, I had my doubts about you too, but let's find Vargas. Get the hell out of the show.
I'm already immersed in the story, yeah? Uh-oh.
Let me guess, this is the guy you picked a fight with?
Didn't know he had so many friends.
Te dije que no hayamos terminado.
Mira, ya nos ganaste, ¿ok?
Muy tarde para hablar. ¡Aquí no sales! Hey, you know what? Tú no te metas.
Okay.
Okay, time to fight.
Jesus, did you have to pick on the most popular guy in this joint?
I didn't hear you volunteer.
Guys, save it for later. Come here, you. I got your back. What you got, asshole?
He was following me. Oh, roll to evade. Alright, that's good. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa.
How you doing, little brother?
I'm good for now.
Remember,
Oh, yeah!
jab, strike. Jab, jab, strike.
No, I can't fight the one he's fighting. Okay. I'm punching buttons like crazy.
Here, guys. Let's make this quick so we can get out of here.
Rómpale su carita chula.
Punching buttons. Oh, this is the guy who's a graduate with me. I want to punch him.
Sam, some help here. Get off. Thanks.
He got in the middle of our fight. Uh-oh.
Ya basta de hablar.
Alguien más necesita que le recuerde las reglas. ¡Alíñense!
¿Qué es esto? ¿Eh?
Dame. Are you bringing in contraband?
Vargas.
¡Cállate! Who do you think you are? Llévalo a su celda. Trae a los gringos a mi oficina. Déjanos. Déjennos.
Took you long enough. We almost got killed, you know?
You still might.
Vargas. Seriously?
Oh, I didn't find anything. It must be in a different tower. Well?
How can I say? I was raised Catholic. I always carry it.
Funny.
Hey, look. It's worthless, all right?
You think I'm an idiot?
Okay, you want to renegotiate? Fine. Stop acting like a third world thug. Put the gun away. Thank you. We're willing to give you 10%.
Think half.
We're doing most of the work, 20, and you'd never find it without us.
25 equals
25. Does that sound fair, guys?
Suppose I can live with that.
Sure. 400 million divides nicely by 4.
Looks like we have a deal.
Yes, we have a deal. And if you ever cross me again...
Jesus.
That's that.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
You want to find out?
Guys, what are we doing here?
We're sticking to the plan.
Was this part of the plan?
Oh my
Just follow
goodness.
me.
Poor Nate. Oh, of course. Now, hang on.
God damn it.
Are they coming in? What if I wait here? Okay, I'm gonna look at chat. Hang on. I want to take some time to look at chat in the meantime. Oh, no! I deserve that. This is all your fault, guys. You made me... I'm gonna pause then. I'm gonna pause. I need to look at chat for a sec because apparently Kedek's nipples are ready for the stream. That was funny. That was funny. Oh my goodness. Hi, Ferry. Thank you for joining. We're playing some Uncharted. Yes, it's like watching a movie. Except I'm in control and I'm messing up sometimes. Except with my stupid commentary. If you're enjoying the stream, feel free to subscribe. I stream a lot from time to time. I stream a lot from time to time. Bye, guys. We're escaping. Bye. Uh-oh. Come on, come on, come on. The window, the window, the window.
Nathan, give me a hand.
So this is how you break out of prison.
I don't see the lighthouse.
Now let's just get away from the guards.
Yeah, we're playing some Uncharted ahead of release. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go. This guy commits the murder and we were with him. So we are guilty as well now, of course. Whoa.
This way. No, wait. Over here.
He didn't have to kill him. Come on, it was 25%.
Nathan, you still there?
Right behind you. Keep going.
Come on, open the door. Come on. So what do we do? What do we do? Hi, Sam. I'm looking at chat and playing this game and running away from cops. Okay. What's this?
Get me out there.
Come on, Sam. Ready?
Thank you for coming, Sam. We're playing some Uncharted. I hope you enjoy. Uncharted 4, I mean.
Yeah, after you.
Apparently nobody's streaming Uncharted 4 except me. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no! No! Let's separate it now. Of course. I have to fight probably. Oh, a couple of... Okay, these are fine. Seriously? Come on. Oh, they came back for me! That's my bro.
Clean house.
Now I'll help my brother because...
All right, we need to catch up with Ray. Quickly. I thought you trusted
Up here, up here, up here. No, no, no. Where? Up here, up here.
There's a vent here. Help me
Then where?
push.
Come on, I am pushing. Yes, please. Thank you, Kerex. Thank you very much. Yes, please. If you can leave a like on the video, it would be awesome. Come on, push. Okay, go, go, go. We're done, we're done, we're done, we're done. No, we still need to push more? No?
He's gonna leave without us, isn't he? Not if we're quick. Come on. After you.
Don't say that, Isaac. I'm worried. I'm really worried. Oh,
They're everywhere.
I am really worried about streaming this game. I couldn't wait either, Ferry. I couldn't wait either. I texted my guy this morning. The guy who actually supplies me with the video games.
Hola, amigo. Right. Good to see
No,
you.
nothing here.
Kick down that ladder for us.
Alright. And I'm like, can I get the game early? He's like, well, depends. He's like, I'm not so sure. I'm like, that's fine, no pressure, buddy. No, no, I just messed up. No, I didn't.
Let's keep searching over there.
And I'm like, that's fine. And I'm like, you can have a nice day. I'm gonna go to bed. He's like, you will have a nice day. I'm like, why did he say that? Why did he say I will have a nice day? Did he mean something by that? And then I wake up,
There it is.
like 1 in the afternoon. Yeah, I sleep during mornings. I'm a night owl. And I find a text like, you go pick it up. I'm like, okay, I'm coming. I was gonna go pick it up with my PJs. Come on, come on.
Get to the wall. Now. Sam, just keep going. Go.
People are shooting at us. So this is how you break out of a prison. You see, take that, Schofield. Oh. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. We're not leaving without you. What do I do to push you up? This. He got shot. No, 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 no.
Hold on. Sam. Give me your other arm. Come on, reach. No.
Freaking way.
We gotta move.
Oh no, he's still down there.
No, he's gone. Come on, the boat's just beyond the wall.
No, I can't. Can't leave him behind.
Nate, your brother is dead. Either come with me or join him.
No.
Just have it your way.
Sam. Oh God, no.
Oh.
Okay, gotta get out of here. Sam. I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, keep coming, right?
Probably under flash forward or something. Yes, I agree, Ferry. I agree, Ferry. Yes, the graphics are much better than the stress test multiplayer. Yes, I agree. I so agree. Oh, it's just starting now! I'm gonna put the headset down, I'm gonna make myself another drink. I deserve another drink. Stick around, guys, I'm gonna be streaming for a while. I'm defrosting a burger and some sausages. I'm gonna put them back in the freezer, I think. Be right back.
Made it to the bottom.
Okay. According to your signal, you're at the coordinates. Can you sign up our hall?
No. Not yet, anyway. You got any pings from up there?
Afraid not.
All right. I'll just keep heading downstream.
Copy that. Keep me posted.
You got it.
Okay, I'm back. Chapter 3.
Hey.
Yeah, I knew somebody was gonna make a comment about my
Nah, I'll be fine.
about my drinking and my peeing.
If you
Yes,
don't find it soon, I'm calling it.
I'll find it.
Alright.
I have a teeny tiny bladder. That wasn't pee though. Like I said, that was a drink it up. Hold to dive. I don't want to dive. I'm already diving right now. Okay, there we go. Hold to dive. Actually. Okay. Oof, the camera. And okay. Let's familiarize ourselves with diving. Okay. Question: have you ever been diving, guys? Like this guy with the tank and everything? Yeah? Who has? Who has? If you are adventurous like this guy, and then I'll tell you if I was diving or not.
Hey, I got something here.
What is it?
No rust, light color. Maybe it hit the rocks, tore off before tumbling.
Hey, you're mumbling.
Sorry. It looks like a piece of our wreck. Must be close by.
You're teasing me now, Drake. You're teasing me.
And the answer is no. I haven't been. I've never snorkeled actually myself. I snorkeled. I never dove with the tank like this guy. For those of you that know, I live in Malta. It's a perfect destination for diving, but I've never. I never went diving. I went snorkeling though, so I can just hold my breath, go down, and swim.
Ah, there you are. I found it.
Alright. How's it look?
It's beat up, but intact.
So yeah, Malta's perfect for diving. I've never been diving though. I snorkeled for the first time last summer.
Well, the axles are in good shape. I'd say we use them to lift the whole thing.
Sounds like a plan.
But it's cool. I would love to dive like this guy. They have a torch on their heads so you can actually see. So you actually see around, and they have actually a headset so they can actually talk to each other as well. I wish I could do that.
Alright, here we go. There.
Yes, Sean Slaughter. I will get you guys some drinks. Well, there was the ice cream truck a few minutes ago.
Alright, I'm in.
I offered everyone an ice cream. Nobody said anything, so I just assumed no.
See, we got 1, 2, 3.
You have been,
Okay, but
Sam. Where did you go diving, Sam?
Hold on. How about you come up first, get a fresh tank?
So now we have 3 Sams in this stream. We have you, we have Proto Sam, and we have the Sam in the game who apparently died, but he didn't. Don't worry, he didn't die for sure. Come on, box, come out.
Crap. The crate's pinned beneath the trailer.
Tell you what, secure the other crate first, then we'll lift the trailer up for you.
You see, that's why you get paid the big bucks.
Yeah.
Try to steal the artifacts, Kerex? What? No, don't be a Nathan Drake.
Crate wouldn't have drifted this far.
Where do I go next? I'm confused now. I'm gonna go back in just in case. See if I missed something. No. Thank you so much, Ferry. I appreciate it so much. I'll try my best not to disappoint you. So that means my sub alerts are not working because I would have seen something on my screen.
Probably closer to the
So
trailer.
I'll look at that. Where do I go from here? We'll see. Let's go. Yeah, King is saying, yeah, I do some videos. I'm currently in the middle of hint, yes, that way. I'm currently making a series where we try weird exotic foods that we think it's disgusting, but we like to sit down in my kitchen and...
Found the other crate.
One down, one to go. Secure it in the trailer. We're nearly at your position.
All right, see you
Why would I lower the crate? No.
This thing's getting heavy.
Remember, only thing I want to recover from that riverbed is that trailer.
Oh, okay, so I smash it. No, what am I doing? Why would I release the crate? I don't want to release the crate. So yeah, I was saying, we sit in my kitchen and we eat weird stuff. And we cringe. Release X. Why would I do that? This doesn't make sense. Come on, keep going up. No. I don't want to lower the crate. What's going on? Did I finish my thought about me eating gross stuff? Yeah, we cringe and stuff. And I don't know what's going on. Where do I go from here? Come on, game, give me a hint. You're right, Kirex. I hope we get to unbox. Where do I go? Where do I secure the crate? What do you mean secure the crate?
No, not yet.
Come on, Drake. Let's wrap this up.
Do you mean here? Or inside? I think he means inside, huh? Let's go inside. Yeah, I hope we get to unbox the box in a video. And I'll try to do my whole thing, you know, where I say, what's up, buddies, VloggyBuddy here, we're gonna do an unboxing. Anyway, yeah, but I do also do unboxings, so I put it here, yeah? Apparently I do, yeah. Is this how you secure the crate, really? Just like that?
All right, that's one crate secure.
Good timing. We're right above you. Sling's on its way down.
Sure, Isaac, sure, no problem. Take your time, bon appetit. I hope whatever you eat is delish. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for coming.
Okay, it's in position. Look up the trailer. We'll raise it up a bit for you.
Okay, got the cable. Gonna try looping it around one of the axles.
That should work.
Yep.
Come on. Come on, sucker. What do I do? What do I do? I'm going around, I don't know. Apparently I really did have to go around.
Alright, you watch your
We'll see.
oxygen now.
That's fine.
Let's do the other one. Where's the other one? Oh, there. We go around. And one more time, just in case. Hey Michael, how are you? Everybody's been asking me the same thing today. First of all, welcome to the stream. Nice to have you. Thank you for stopping by. And two, yeah, the guy who gets me the games, he's like, you can come pick it up. And that's it. End of story. I wasn't expecting to play the game today, but here we are.
Ready when you are.
Ooh, get out of the way, Ken.
Okay, that enough?
Yeah, plenty. Just don't drop it on me.
No promises.
Okay, got the other crate. I'm gonna strap it in with the others.
Why can't I just carry it? But anyway, whatever. So much for eating today. I was looking forward to have my sausages and my burger. Oh man, Uncharted is more important.
Come on. There you go.
Oh boy, get out of there. You're not in a safe place right now.
All cargo present and accounted for. And with 5 minutes of oxygen to spare.
Jesus. Hey, maybe you should hang out then. See if you can find some other treasures down there.
No, I'm good.
Wanna ride up?
Love one.
Let me know when you're on the sling.
When I'm on the sling? Over here, yeah? Let's hold on. Let's go.
Okay, I'm in position. Get me out of here, will you?
You got it.
Oh man. I'm not God. I am not God, Gerex. But thanks. Albert Wesker is God. He has the Ouroboros.
Look at that beauty. How you feeling?
Oh, better now that I'm out of that river.
That's an awesome mask.
Sink like fish for a week.
Alright. We're gonna come to you. Hang on.
Hang on.
Come on, Luke. Instead of inviting me to stuff, watch the stream. Come watch the stream. What do I do now? The game looks gorgeous, guys. I never tire of saying that. Do I get up? Do I go down?
Good to have you back, Drake.
Yeah, it's good to be back.
Toss down your gear.
Here you go.
Thanks. Whoa, this tank's kind of light.
I'm just making your job easier, right?
Oh man.
Okay. Done. Man, I wish they move all this to computers.
How much longer are you gonna be?
Let's wrap this up later. My hero. Come on. Let's go see what you brought us. Hey, so how about you let someone else be point man next time? You've earned a break.
Oh, no thanks. Take a dive over being at the office any day.
Yeah, well, either way, it's gonna be a while to the next dive.
What are you talking about? What about Thursday's job? Oh, come on, no.
Got underbid.
You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, competition's tough.
Oh, this is what I retrieved. Look at the size of the thing.
Let's see here now.
Of course I'd love to do the honors. Of course I'd love to do the honors. Come on. Really? 30 people? My goodness.
Thanks.
My goodness. I need to behave now.
Wow. Look at that. We struck copper.
Well, you'd be
It's
surprised
true.
how much this stuff is worth. Client's paying good money for the full cover.
Sure you don't want to just melt it down, make some pennies?
Come on, let's go celebrate. First round's on me.
Bar hopping with you guys? No, not unless there's hazard pay. If it's all the same to you, I think I'm just gonna do the paperwork and get home and crash. A rain check, though?
All right, suit yourself. Hey, good work, dude.
Hey, Carl.
Thanks.
Thanks for coming. We're playing some Uncharted 4 ahead of time. At the risk of, you know, getting into trouble, apparently. We'll see. We're watching some Uncharted and / playing some Uncharted 4.
Hey, Nate. Nate, hold on.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Got a present for you.
Present? What's this?
Got some news from my contact about that wreck off the coast of Malaysia.
Oh, no.
Hey, Nilo. Welcome to the stream.
Ship's intact.
Yeah?
Cargo's right for the picking.
You are a persistent one, I'll give you that.
And all the money came through for the equipment, too. We are all set. Except, my best guy. The guy I trust for the job, the only one. He's got cold feet.
My feet were never warm to begin with. And tell me, this contact of yours, you get the permits?
No, he did not get the permits. Can't no one get the damn permits.
Of course not.
But Nate, don't you see that works in our favor? No permits means no competition. The ship is ours.
No permits means no go.
Nate, this is retirement money for the both of us, okay? I don't know about you, but I don't want to be working salvage when I'm 60. Do you?
Sure beats prison. Yep. Listen, I have to pass. And trust me, so should you.
Okay, just take it with you. Humor me.
I'm not
okay?
gonna change my mind.
No, then don't hurt to sleep on it. Does it?
Say hi to Carla and the kids for me, okay?
All right. No pressure, Nate. But think about it.
You really did your homework on this one.
Sorry, I'm back. I put the headset down and the controller down for a bit. I just realized we almost have, what? Did I just see properly? Almost 40 people watching? My goodness. No pressure, Vloggy. No pressure. So I had to assign a few mods. Welcome, mods. You are the chosen ones. No pressure, guys, huh? No pressure.
Narrow down the search area. It would make a hell of a find.
What am I supposed to do now? All right, put it away.
Son of a bitch. No way. You are going with the others.
So this is Nate, kind of retired now. Hey, Spider Centurion. Is that it? Centurion, yeah, Spider Centurion. Yes, it's such professional. These games, these Uncharted series, Naughty Dog in general, Uncharted, The Last of Us, they just excel at everything. Gameplay, controls, story, soundtrack, voice acting, everything. Everything. And that is an awesome thing, you know? That is an awesome thing. And to answer your question, Ferry, the thing is, I've reached a point in my life, I don't know if it's my eyes or my age or I don't know, but I've reached a point that I can't tell anymore the difference between good graphics, excellent graphics, and fantastic graphics. You know, I can't really tell the difference anymore. To me, it looks just as the same as it did in E3 2015. But that's just me. To me, look at his face. Look. He's actually frowning right now, look. Come on, look at that. Does it get any better than that? If it does, I won't be able to tell. Yes, welcome ranch people. Yes, it does look like it. And that's what I was telling everyone earlier, you know, it takes a lot of guts to disappoint a bunch of fans, millions of fans who are eagerly waiting for this game, to disappoint them by saying, listen, we're delaying the game. You know, and I don't care about delaying the game as long as it comes out perfect. And Naughty Dog are so confident that they're gonna get the game right. They don't care about delaying it a couple of times, you know. And this is what you get. I don't care if you delay it 50 times, as long as the end product is this, you know.
Yee. One of the stranger things I've collected along the years.
This is a skull of Kerex. Yes. You got a wrench now. You expect to be teased from time to time. Oh man. So yeah, and the same thing is happening with Mighty Number 9. Mighty Number 9 is getting a lot of hate right now because it's been delayed so many times, and only last week they actually announced the release date. So now I expect nothing but perfection from the game because it's been delayed so many times. If it doesn't meet my expectations, yes, then I will hate on it too. So yeah, okay.
Spanish doubloon found in a German U-boat in the middle of a jungle. Who would have thunk?
Definitely not a euro. Sir Francis Drake, look at that. Sir Francis Drake, it's his ancestor or something. I remember from the first few games. Oh, thank you, Carl. Thank you for subscribing. I'll try my best not to disappoint with my content. I'll try. Inspect item. Look at them.
Look at us.
Is that Helena? Yeah, and look at Sully. I want to hear. Found this on my old camera. Thought you'd like to have it. I wonder who it's from. It doesn't say. Look at them. It's from the. I think it's the first game. That picture. It's so cute. Shambhala. I think it's the second game, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I remember him too. It's so cool. This guy helped him a lot. It's the second game, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry if I go quiet from time to time. Nate and Tenzin, was that his name? I don't remember. Yes, guys, don't forget to leave a like if you're enjoying the content. Thank you so much for coming. Oh, his brother, is he? Look at his face, guys. Look at his face. Oh, he doesn't have the guts to look at it. Look at that. He didn't have the guts to look at the picture of his brother, I think. Did you guys see his face? Did you see the expression on his face? The freaking beard on his face? The hair? I don't see any difference from the E3 2015 presentation. But that's just me. That's just mine. And I'm wearing my glasses.
Yeah. Thanks for nothing,
Yeah,
St.
thanks for
Dismas.
nothing. By the way, random fact actually. When they crucified them back in the day, they didn't actually put nails through their hands. Well, actually they did. No, what am I saying? Well, it's not through their hands, but it's through their wrist, I think. Yes, it's through their wrist, not through their hands, like you usually see in pictures. Look it up, it's a fact. Anything else? Thank you, Carl. I'll try my best not to disappoint, like I said. So much pressure! Speaking of pressure, mods. No pressure, of course, guys. Just because I modded you, I don't expect you to be here every single time, and I don't mean to put pressure on you or work. You know, that's what I mean. Look! I am streaming!
Not really my style anymore.
What is it, a belt buckle?
Yeah.
Flare gun? Ah.
Here they come. Take cover.
How cool, he's just gonna practice, so interesting.
Bullseye.
Ah, my
Take
battery's
that.
getting low, I have to recharge.
Don't let him flank you, Nate.
How cool, he's actually, this is so cool.
Right. That.
Nate is retired and he's become really pathetic. Your life was so awesome, Nate, and now...
Back in business. Eat plastic. Yeah, bring it.
So funny.
Gotcha. Like a pro. So long. That'll teach you.
He has become pathetic, poor guy. Oh my goodness, so funny.
Yeah, I'll be right there. Haha, still got it.
I just realized this room doesn't have any doors. Where do I go from here?
Yeah, playtime's over.
Okay, there's the door. Okay.
See you next time.
Let's go. Nepal. You guys know where the name Nepal came from? I suggest you look it up. Nepal, Family Guy on YouTube. Look it up. Family Guy, Nepal. How it came to be. Come on, if you guys know, if some of you already know, let me know in the chat. It's funny. Nepal. How the name Nepal came to be. Loving the content, mate. Thank you, IS2E. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming and for your lovely comment. Look, it's an iMac. It's an iMac, just like mine. But mine is bigger, I think. This is a 15, not 15, 17 inch. If you're enjoying the content, feel free to subscribe, leave a like on the video and all that stuff, you know. Bangkok travel guide. That's it, that's it, that's it. No opening the book, nothing. So much stuff. This is Nate's house. This must be Nate's house. Let's look at the mirror. Hey, handsome. I'm trying to see if I can get his face on screen. A zoom of his face in the light. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm going to take a picture. Hang on. There you go. I took a picture. So I can put it on my something. We'll see. This is where I came from. Yeah? No. Look at this bedroom. So messy. So messy. He got married. How sweet. Nate got married to Helena. Is that Helena? He got married. Browse.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, Spider, it's fantastic. The game looks gorgeous. His face, I'm impressed with his face, to be honest with you. I don't know why, but it's his face. The detail in his, you can see the pores in his face and everything. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you so much. I stream and I make videos of eating gross stuff in the kitchen, and I unbox stuff and sometimes play some Minecraft from time to time. Look at that. So pretty.
That is a good one.
Hang on, which one's my favorite? This is my favorite. I'm gonna leave you with this one till I go pee. I'll be right back. Somebody called it. Was it King Tim or was it KedX? One of you called it that I'm gonna pee. Hang on. Be right back. Okay, so here's what's going on. Besides me going to pee. I saw we had 30-something subscribers, 30-something viewers. Thank you so much for being here, all of you. I appreciate that. So here's what's going on. When I got the game, I took out some sausages and some burgers, and I felt like making a nice meal for myself. And I was like, I'm gonna stream this for an hour. I'm gonna stream this game for an hour, and then I'll cook, eat, and take a nap. But now I've been streaming for 2 hours 11 minutes, and the stuff they're frosting, I put them in the fridge. Forget eating. I'm gonna keep streaming. Let's keep streaming. My original plan was to stream for 1 hour, and then the rest I upload them as episodes. Let's play on my YouTube channel. But apparently, this is going so well. It stopped loading. My video stopped loading. I'm gonna check. Guys. Hang on. Don't scare me like that, IAs. The stream is running fine. I'm kidding. The stream is running fine. Just try refreshing. Sorry about that. Hi, Manish. Hi, Anish. Thank you for stopping by. We're playing some Uncharted 4, even though it doesn't look like it right now. We're just looking at pictures. But I promise that we are. Oh, yes. Hang on. I need to recharge my battery. I need to find the charger. Hold on, because I got a notification earlier that my battery is dying. And I can't keep playing if my battery dies, or my controller battery dies. So hang on, I'm gonna plug it in. Hang on for a sec. Hang on. Got my wire. I got a drawer full of cables. Just gonna quickly plug it, and I'm looking at chat. That's why I go quiet, mute sometimes. I was gonna say quiet and mute. I was gonna say cute. Hi, Rambo. Okay, I'm plugged in now. Are we charging? Yeah, we are. Okay, we're good. Okay, so as I was saying, we're playing some Uncharted 4 ahead of time, at the risk of losing my channel and my nuts. So yeah, okay, we're going through the file, and apparently that's it. There are no more left, yeah? That's it. Okay, that's enough. That's enough memories. Go, 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 go. It's going dark out. So apparently Nate is retired now. He just scuba dives works for a company. They retrieve stuff from the ocean apparently. So that's all he does. We're gonna go downstairs. Apparently I'm married. I have a wife now. I have a waifu. Hang on, did we check everything in this room? I'm sorry. We did, yes we did. I remember the mirror. He has a nice apartment. I like the pictures and everything. I'm a big fan of pictures. Hey, Chiari Focus! Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming by. You are all awesome. We're playing some Uncharted 4 ahead of release. And I know what you're thinking. How did he get hold of it? Everybody's been asking that. It's my supplier, the guy. Do you call him a supplier? It's my guy. But my guy sounds a bit, you know. My guy. Matt, if you're watching, you're my guy. My supplier. The guy who gets me the games. He's like, come get it. I got it.
You were up there a long time.
Well, I was researching something.
Oh, is that what we're calling it these days?
I was.
Hey, would you mind grabbing the food? I'm just wrapping up here.
Oh, yeah, sure thing.
Oh, I'm so glad. I am so glad that he married Helena. She's perfect for him. But I also like the other girl with the black hair. Remember that guy, the girl, what was her name? Spicy dumpling. Let's get her some spicy dumpling. A beer. I want to get her spicy dumpling. I want to give her my dumpling.
There we go.
Shh. Vloggy. Let's give her a beer.
Done. Okay. Oh.
Finish it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, it's probably too long and full of typos, but that's what editors are for, right? God, I'm starving.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm. Joe, how was your day?
What?
Hmm?
Got none of that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How was your day?
Oh, it was fine.
Mm-hmm.
Typical day in paradise.
Mm-hmm.
I got to pull a bunch of garbage out of a river.
Mm.
Yes.
At least you got to go for a swim. Did you find any exciting garbage?
Oh, it was some brilliant stuff. It was a early 21st century truck we got. Apparently the natives called it a semi.
Oh, dear Lord.
So, boring stuff. Tell me about the article.
Well, it started out as this fluff piece about tourism in Bangkok, but I don't think the magazine is going to like the angle that I'm taking because everyone immediately commented about how rude the smog was, that it was like shock to the lungs, like the second that you got off the plane. So kind of took this U-turn in this
Ah! What?
Where are you?
I'm in here being stabbed with a fork.
Oh, really?
What? Just keep going. It was interesting.
Oh.
Oh.
Interesting. What's my article about?
What? This one?
Mm-hmm.
It was about fluff, but flights and I don't know what to say. Look at him just thinking about what to say next. He's so me. Sometimes I drift like that. Uh-oh, uh-oh. No, no, no.
Flights in Bangkok that are having troubles with them because the smog and they can't land.
Wow.
Right, I'm sorry.
No, it was valiant. It
I was in the
really-
ballpark, right?
In a different state, but yeah, you were in a ballpark. Jameson asked you about that Malaysia job again.
Jameson always asks me about
Yeah, I know you can hear
Look, Nate,
you probably
I
can hear the
really
game
think that you
repeating a
should
bit, the
take it.
sound. So if Nathan says hey, a bit later I might hear a hey.
You know what? I don't want it.
More fainter
Really?
hey, kind of, because
he doesn't
I'm
have the
standing very
permits.
close to the TV, sorry, so
We
it
agreed we're not
gets
gonna
picked
take
up by
that
my
kind of
mic
work
as well, sorry.
anymore. It's just not worth it.
It doesn't sound that risky. All right, if it's just a permit.
No way.
You could call Sullivan. You haven't seen him in
Elena,
what, 2 years?
Well, could we please drop this?
Okay, I just don't want you to not take it because of me.
I'm not taking it because of me, okay? I appreciate the gesture.
Guys,
it's just...
Put it on full screen in 720p, it's amazing. The
I'm
face,
gonna
the
go ahead
face.
and do the dishes.
Stop, I'll do them. No,
You
hold
did
on.
them last night.
No, you cooked. I cleaned. It's fine. I mean, at least, let me try to earn it or something. Let me play you for it.
You'll play me for it?
Yeah. You're
Lazy gaming.
game
Hey.
thing. I bet I can beat your high score.
Dude, I love
You
you,
think
man.
that
Thank
you
you for
can
being
beat
here.
my high score on my
But let's try to keep it in
game
English,
thing?
okay? I am Maltese, just like you.
I don't
But
need to know what it's called.
we're speaking in
I've
English
seen
in my
you play.
chat,
It's
so everybody
jumping
understands
and
each other.
running, and I have a
That's
natural talent
much love,
for
man.
that.
Really?
So what do you say? Chicken? Is it a bet?
Oh, wow. Okay, cowboy.
PS1! PS1! Look at that!
Okay, watch and learn.
Oh,
Look at the sound! Oh my goodness!
Is this it?
No, it has to load.
Load.
Yes.
This is taking a really long time.
Oh
You
my
have no
goodness!
patience.
When you turn something on, you
Oh,
expect it to...
you're kidding me!
There we go. Crash Bandicoot.
Is there a problem?
No, just how do you make it go?
Push the start button.
I knew that.
All right.
I got it.
Guys, look at that! Look at that!
Okay, so you want to run towards the camera.
Wait a minute, I think the game is waiting for me to play. Oh my god, I am controlling Bandicoot, guys! I am controlling Bandicoot! What the heck is going on? Guys, I'm playing Crash Bandicoot. This is Gameception. I am playing Crash Bandicoot. Oh my goodness! This is the closest thing to Crash Bandicoot on the next gen console. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm sorry. I'm too excited. Oh!
Okay, run away from the boulder.
Why is the boulder chasing me?
Just run away from it.
I did nothing to this boulder.
Watch that pit.
Oh!
I watched it.
Use your spin attack.
Like,
which button?
Circle.
Oh my goodness!
Spin attack.
Guys! Am I the only one who's excited? So awesome! I'm playing Crash Bandicoot. Oh! Another boulder. Oh my goodness, I just looked at chat. I'm so
You
stupid.
fell in the pit.
I don't know. How do I climb back out?
You're dead.
Well, that's not realistic. I would have climbed back out. He should learn to climb. Climbing's always helped me.
Okay, grab the fruit.
Where's the fruit?
And Helena's backstabbing. Backseating.
100?
Backstabbing. She's backseating. Stop backseating, Helena. I'm playing right now. You see, now I can't. You see, now I can't really get in trouble for playing Uncharted early because I'm only playing Crash Bandicoot. You see? You see?
Good. There you go.
Uh-oh.
Jump.
Stop yelling at me.
I'm encouraging you. I'm coaching you. Keep going.
What is that thing, a fox?
Oh my goodness.
Looks like a fox.
Fox and James. I have to keep starting over, my goodness. I'm playing Uncharted well, but I'm failing at...
He's not stealing his collecting.
Well, it's not
I'm playing Uncharted well, I'm failing at Crash Bandicoot. I wonder if this means something from Uncharted, from Naughty Dog. Maybe they are working on a new game. I don't know.
Perfect.
By the way, foxes can't do this.
It's a bandicoot.
That doesn't look anything like a bandicoot.
Have you ever seen a bandicoot?
No, but I'm sure they don't wear sneakers.
I'm sorry, I'm so focused right now. I'm not looking at chat.
These graphics are pretty good, aren't they?
Okay, smash,
Smash the box. Move it, buddy.
Fox
Move it. There's no time to smash the box.
Bandicoot.
Okay, I think we're good
That's
now.
just, it's what he does.
Good. Checkpoint.
Fox. It's not very realistic.
Okay, hang on. Let me look at chat. Oh my goodness, so funny. Oh, not again!
That was not too bad.
Oh my goodness, I know I'm doing this.
Okay, get
What
the
fruit?
Wumpa
There's no time. You're on, buddy.
Clear, it's a Wumpa fruit.
Fruit? Why does a fox want fruit?
That poor fox. Bandicoot.
Bandicoot.
That's it. That's it. Now what happens?
What? Is that it?
You asked for it. Oh.
Yes, it does, Card. It does get better every second.
Practically had it.
You can give it another shot. Come on, double or nothing. My car could really use a good cleaning.
Really gonna start the smack talk
There's
now?
this mode called easy mode. I just switch it. It's way easier on
No, just keep talking. Keep talking.
What are you gonna do?
I'm warning
What are
you.
you gonna do?
I'm warning you.
In real life, what
Hey,
can you do?
I'm
Show
telling
me.
you.
What can you
I'm
do
telling
in
you.
real life?
What do you think about that? Huh?
Hey, are you happy?
Yeah, of course. You? Really?
Come here.
So awesome. The game is awesome, not like what they just did.
Not open yet. We're closed.
You wanna play Crash Bandicoot now,
All
King
right,
Tim?
I'm coming.
Huh?
Coming.
Huh? I just did. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Brother.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for my little brother. It's about your height, a little bit leaner, definitely less gray in the temples.
Sam?
It's good to see you again, Nathan.
God, Sam.
Oh, all right. Take it easy. Take it easy.
How? How? I thought you... I saw you get shot.
Yes, you did. Right there.
Jesus.
Well, the doctors, they patched me up and they tossed me right back into the cell.
Yeah, but I made calls. I checked everywhere. Everything I heard, everything I found, it all confirmed you were dead.
Nathan, we killed a guard. Okay, so they wanted to see me rot in that cell for the rest of my life, and I nearly did.
Jesus, Sam, man, if I had known, I swear to you, I would have come out.
Come back. I know, Nathan. I know. What's important now, though, is that I'm out. Hey, you still with me?
Need some air.
He just found out his brother's still alive.
You're not gonna pass out on me or nothing, are you?
I just might. It's a lot to digest, you know? But how did you get out? When did you get out? How'd you even get here? Find me?
All right. Slow down. Okay? Have a seat. I want to hear about you. Huh?
Me?
Yeah.
What's to tell?
Well, call some of your old contacts. Tell me some pretty crazy-ass stories.
These were crazy stories.
Got shot, hanging from a derailed train in the Himalayas.
Yeah, that actually happened.
Come on, man. What did I miss?
Jesus, Sam, where do I start?
Start with the best part.
Do you remember the theory that we had that Sir Francis Drake faked his own death?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, he did. I found the coffin. Off the coast of Panama? Yeah. All right, now get this. Okay, I open it up, right? And there's no body. But
he's telling the story from the first movie, I was gonna say, from the first game.
Journal. Are you shitting me?
I mean, what can I say?
They stayed talking till morning.
City destroyed, and we made it out alive. Barely.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. I wish you could have been there.
No, it's literally unbelievable. You tell me you stumble upon yet another archaeological gold mine, and somehow you manage to walk away with nothing.
Yeah, well, it's a story of my life, I guess. But, you know, I managed to grab a few trinkets here and there. Paid off the car, the house, engagement ring, the... Engagement ring? I'm married. I can't believe... Elena, from the stories, that's my wife. You gotta come meet her. Tonight, dinner, at my place. You're coming to dinner. I can tell her all about you. Shit, I gotta tell her all about you.
Nathan, I'm in a lot of trouble here.
What? What are you talking about? What kind of trouble?
Does the name Hector Alcazar ring a bell with you?
Yeah, he's the drug lord. Butcher of Panama, right? Why?
It's a funny story, but last year he was my cellmate. So this is how I got out of prison.
I'm ignoring chat right now. I'm following the story, guys. I like to stay quiet during the cutscenes. I'll acknowledge everyone very soon, okay?
Well, you're not reading tonight?
Samuel, come here. Listen. Guards. They're singing.
Well, they're probably drunk.
Perhaps. But they are content. How can they be content with their small lives? Their miserable jobs?
I mean, they have wives to go home to. What do we got? Huh? No offense.
We have ambition.
Oh.
And when we get out of here, that ambition will take us to places these idiots cannot even imagine.
Yeah, well, amen to your optimism.
What will you do when you get out, Samuel?
That's if I get out of here. I'm sure you can imagine.
I can. But I want to hear you say it.
I will find the greatest pirate treasure of all time, which I'm sure you are sick of hearing about by now.
Oh, no. The tale of Henry Avery and his 400 million in jewels and gold has become a sweet lullaby for me. Do you really think you can find it?
Given the opportunity? Absolutely.
Ambition. What is that Avery quote?
I am a man of fortune, and I must seek my fortune.
I like how he thinks.
What the hell was that?
The opportunity of a lifetime.
Señor Alcázar, un gusto verlo.
Sáqueme de aquí.
Oh.
¿Qué hacemos con él?
Samuel, are you ready to seek your fortune?
Yeah.
Vámonos.
Okay, we're gonna play as... Wow, Act 5 already? Alright, we're gonna play as Sam now, apparently. Okay, guys, I want to check out the chat because I've been ignoring the chat this whole time to actually get immersed into the story. Sorry about that. So hang on. What was going on? Wow, almost 50 people. Oof, wow, seriously? Seriously? The thing is this, I like to hide the number of viewers. I don't like to know how many people are watching. Because if I get 0, I would get discouraged. So I don't like to see how many people are watching. So, wow, 50, I will take your word for it. I have no idea. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? So many people watching. Crumdox, hey! Hey, Crumdox. Alexander Mikhailov, hey! Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. You are Maltese as well, I know you are. We're keeping the chat English, just so you know, okay? Because so everybody understands. Thank you so much, Antoine Lang. Thank you so much for coming. Like spike? Did we get a like spike? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh, you know what? Hang on. Before I continue playing, just gonna quickly, real quick. Hang on. Hang on. I just took a selfie of myself with you guys in chat. I'll post it on Instagram later. Yeah, you guys are there with me in this stream, so I took a selfie with you guys. Todo va acuerdo al plan, señor. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how to read Spanish. Even though I hang out with a Spanish friend. I'm gonna have to move quickly.
We're going to have to move quickly.
Holy shit.
They dead? Okay, I better go. Oh. What's going on? Are we getting out?
Pedazo de mantenga la puerta. Nunca saldrás de aquí. Silencio. Jesus. These men are sadistic. We're doing the world a favor, huh? Here. You'll need this.
It's dangerous to go alone. Here, take this.
You remember how to use it?
Yeah, the game is awesome, Sean Slaughter. It's amazing.
You
got a selfie. Yes, I'll post the selfie real soon. Don't worry.
You do that, and you'll start a goddamn riot.
Exactly. Háganlo. Stay close, Sammy.
I'm shooting people, I don't know who they are. Ammo? What's going on? What's going on?
This is crazy! We're going to need...
Who's with me and who's against me? I don't know what's going on. Oh, these guys are good. They're not leaving any for me to shoot. Let's go.
Sigan al frente! Let's go!
I'm not doing any shooting myself.
Let's do this.
What is going on? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why you sneak up on me like that? Thank you so much. Oh, I'm getting shot. Your wife hates video games. Oh no. You see, that's the thing. That's why I don't want to get married. No, it's not about that, but you know, it's
Yeah, I see.
I can understand your pain, buddy. I can understand your pain. So now what?
So now what?
Estamos en posición. ¿Están listos?
Sí. Busquen dónde cubrirse.
Samuel, get behind something.
What? Why?
Just do it.
What do I do?
Samuel,
Whoa!
get behind cover.
Okay.
I told you. All right.
Yeah, my ears are ringing, but I'll live.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let's just keep running, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Phew. Thank goodness I have to reload, because I was gonna... Let's go. Whoa, 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 what you doing, man? Oh, thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
game is awesome. When aiming, press to swap shoulders. Oh, okay, that's fine. I don't want that. We're good. This is the good side of me. I'm sorry I'm ignoring chat, guys, but this is the first time I'm playing this game. Okay, hang on. Hang on, I need to look at chat. Drew! Hey, Drew! Welcome! What else? Sure, go ahead, add me on PS4. Don't worry, buddy. Add me on PS4. Oh, keep hiding, buddy. Oh, come on. I'm not good at hiding. I just don't know how to shoot. Okay, no, I'll hide. Dude, come out. I got something for you. There you go. Dang it! Come on, I got something better now. Booyah. Okay.
Almost.
That's boss. Okay, we're done. My username, Ken. I'm sorry, it's a weird username, but it was a test account and I got stuck with it. It's Ken Italiano. KenItaliano. Because look at this guy, the way he died. That's an odd position to die in. Okay. Take cover again. Where? Take cover where?
Samuel, in a minute, you'll either be free or dead. Ready?
Oh.
Shit!
Look at me and him. We're getting snuggly over there. Yeah, it's not bad for my first time playing this. No. Seriously. Be careful, Ken. You! Boss. Yes, Carl, I agree. Flawless graphics. Flawless graphics. Indeed. Faultless. As he said.
Holy shit.
Arnau, I appreciate you being here, but let's keep it English, okay? Yeah, it sucked for me too when I thought I was gonna have to have to wait till Tuesday to get the game. It's just I got your request. I will add you when I get a chance. After my stream, probably. What's going on here? Now what? Oh, over here. Whoa, hide, take cover! I think these bricks are gonna fall apart, if I'm not careful. Well, I knew it! Why did I die? Wasn't I taking cover? Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Yes, that's right, Ice. Yes, that's right. You added me now. I only saw the comment now. Sweet! Let's go. I died again. This game is hard, guys. Don't get it. Don't buy it. Don't get it. This game is hard. I don't know what we need to do now. I'm just gonna hide here. Let's just shoot some people in the faces. You see, breaking out of prison is not easy, man. Hide, buddy, hide. Oh, no. Okay. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh, we did it. It wasn't me. I wish I could take credit for that, but... I don't know if I said hi to you, Chelsea. I don't know. I don't know, Chelsea. Please don't report me. I took permission, Chelsea. I took permission. I actually asked them. I told them, listen, can I stream and promote your game? And they said, yeah, sure. So yeah, that's why. Whoa. Hi, Raul. It's not hard. No, it's not hard. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I just suck at games. Okay, I didn't do that either. I wish I could take credit for that, but it wasn't me. Me either. I'm not doing nothing, man. Oh. Ching. Come on, you can do this, buddy. Come on! Wow, this guy's good at dodging. Let me recover for a bit. I love that the controller vibrates when I'm dying. Oh, wait. Okay, that's me. Where do we go now? How do you reload? I forgot. Never mind. Let's go. I'm gonna look at chat now. Vloggy has connections, it's true. I'm laughing at reading some of your comments, guys. You guys are awesome. Well, here's a few tips, Manish, if you want to get a YouTube channel going. Just open it and start doing your content. Be yourself, don't copy anyone. And don't promote it on other people's streams. No, I'm just being honest. I'm just being friendly, giving you some honest, friendly advice, buddy. Honestly. What's this? What's this? Do I go up here? Looks like I cannot go up here. Hang on. No? What about here? No? Thank you, Chelsea. You're Chelsea, Brie. Thank you so much. I don't know where I need to go from here. Up here, buddy. Up here. I'm a noob. Let's go. And that is how you do a prison break.
Agua. Here, Samuel, drink.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm better than good, actually.
You're dehydrated. Go on, drink.
Thank you.
So, what's next for Samuel Drake?
Jesus, what is next? I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna sleep on a real bed. I'm gonna find a nice warm body to sleep next to me. Track my brother down. Seems like a pretty good start.
It is. So, how long do you think it will take for you to retrieve Avery's treasure?
I don't know. I mean, I get back to the States, I can resume my search.
How long?
It's kind of hard to say until I get started.
You said you know where it is.
Yeah, I do, okay? But listen, it's not like Avery left some map with a big red X on it, okay? But I've got some very solid... Oh, okay. Just wait a minute. Hey, take it easy.
I like you, Samuel. More importantly, I believed you. That is why you were here.
I can get it, okay? I just need some time.
Dame un cuchillo. You see, the problem is, I'm having all of these doubts into my mind.
Hector, listen to me. I will find it. I swear.
How long?
6 months.
People are lazy. They always ask for more time than they actually need. 3 months.
3 months is
3 months. Half the treasure. Can you do it? Say it.
3 months, half the treasure.
Now, if you run, or try to hide the treasure, or do something really stupid like go to the authorities, I'll know. And when you least expect
Guys,
it,
look
I
at
will
his
be
face.
there.
Look at his
At that
face.
point,
The detail in his mustache, his
death
beard,
is
his
not a mercy I
wrinkles, my goodness. If you haven't already, full screen it and watch it 720p. Amazing.
Here. Come on. Now, the nearest town is 10 kilometers in that direction towards the sunrise. It's been a while since we've seen the sunrise outside, huh? Vamos.
When I find it. Then what?
Don't worry. When the time comes, I'll be there to collect. Buena suerte, Samuel.
So now we see how he got out of prison and how he is in trouble. And that's why he went to Nate.
So, Alcazar lets me go, and here we are.
This is bad.
We just pick up the trail where we left off.
It's Ma! Ma's here! Hi, Ma! Nice to have you!
After Rafe and I escaped, he took his parents' fortune and bought up all the land around St. Dismas Cathedral. We combed that place for weeks. Avery's treasure isn't there. Not that that stopped Rafe. The moron's been digging for years, still hasn't turned up squat.
Not really surprised.
What does that mean?
I just, happened to do a little digging of my own. And, I bet you Rafe doesn't have this. It's really amazing what you can find on the internet these days.
It's just the St. Dismas cross.
Oh, is it? Because
I'm sorry I'm being quiet right now. I'm enjoying the story.
Remember?
Holy crap, it's still intact. Avery made more than one cross.
So whatever's missing from the one in Panama
is probably still inside this one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, all right. Well, where is this?
Oh, this exquisite piece is going up for auction in 3 days at the Rossi estate.
The Rossi estate?
Oh, you know it.
Yeah. And how do you plan on securing an invite to an exclusive, heavily guarded black market auction?
Well, you don't necessarily need an invitation, per se.
Huh? Yeah. And where are you going to get the money to outbid all the high rollers? I could take a second mortgage out on my house, and it still wouldn't be enough to... Yeah, you're going to try and steal it, huh?
No. We are.
Oh, no. No, man, listen, I can't. I'm out.
What?
No, I just don't do that kind of thing anymore. Besides, there are plenty of other guys that are much more equipped to handle this kind of thing.
Like who?
I don't know, like, anybody, Charlie Cutter.
No.
No, he's my go-to guy for this sort of thing.
Absolutely not. I don't trust Charlie or anybody else that you've got on that phone with my life, okay? I need you on this one.
Sam, there's got to be another way.
Not with the time I got left. Certainly not with Alcazar.
I will look at chat real soon, guys.
Hey, hon, it's me. Yeah, listen, you're not gonna believe this. Jameson just walked in here with the permits. Yeah. I know, but it's like I'm gonna take that Malaysia job after all.
He lied to his wife? They're dressed up as waiters. Oh my goodness. They're gonna pull something off.
Criminals all cleaned up for prom. And no sign from Sullivan yet.
There's still plenty of time. Looks like the storage room's in the building behind the manor. You see it from up there?
Just the very top of it. Oh, I wonder what they got tucked away in there.
Let's just focus on Avery's Cross, okay?
No, you sure you don't want to pick up something for the wife?
It's cute. Let's keep it simple.
Right. Simple. And it'd be a whole lot simpler if it was just the two of us.
Sam.
We could be inside already.
Not cleanly.
Have you even thought about a backup plan in case Sullivan gets cold feet?
No, because he won't.
Or if he got caught?
Sam, he knows the people running the auction. He's gonna schmooze his way right through that party, get upstairs, unlock the window, and we're in. It's a solid plan.
Uh-huh.
All right, fine. Good, say it.
What if he stole the cross for himself?
Not in a million years.
Victor Sullivan. Same Victor we're talking about, right?
Yes, he's double-crossed people in the past, but not us.
No, not you.
I know you two have never seen eye to eye.
Huge understanding.
But I trust him, all right? He's family. And, no. I just need you to trust him, too.
Fine.
He'll come through for us. Eventually.
But I mean, come on, you have to at least just for 1 second consider the possibility.
See? Trust.
Just try to keep your tux clean.
Thanks.
Okay, Kerex, thanks for stopping by. Sorry I'm being so quiet. Oh, okay. I guess it's time to play again. Chapter 6. Once a thief... ... Alright, hang on, I need to catch up with chat. I'm so sorry. Kerex, thank you for stopping by. You can go. No pressure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hang on, I need to catch up with chat. Hi Ma, thank you for coming. Ma is an awesome streamer, guys. Go check her out. She makes awesome streams and she has this cute voice. It's true. Her voice is very soothing. It's true. It's a fact. It's a fact. Where do I live? I live at home. I live at home. No, I'm seriously. But no, I live in Europe. I don't know if you guys know where Malta is. It's a very, very teeny tiny island. You know where Italy is? Right below Italy, there's Sicily. Right below Sicily, there's a teeny tiny island, barely visible on the maps. And that's where I'm on right now. I'm trying to catch up with chat. I want to make sure I say hi to everyone. Hi, welcome back, Isaac. I hope you're still here. I'm not saying hi to nobody. I'm trying to catch up with chat. Slaughter, hey. What else? Trying to make sure I don't miss anyone's hi. Hang on. You are awesome, Ma. You are awesome. So, bye, Kat. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, let's continue. The Man Who Sold the World. Hey, Man Who Sold the World. Thank you for stopping by the stream. And King Tim, if you have to go as well. Did you say buy a PS3? I thought you meant the PS4. I hope you meant PS4 for your sake. Don't let me keep you, King Tim. If you have to go, you gotta go. Don't worry. All right, let's play some more. This is... we're playing some... For those of you that just joined, we're playing some Uncharted 4 ahead of release. Until I get into trouble or something. Not Italy, no, Ma. It's right below Italy. Like, you got Italy, then you got Sicily below it, and below Sicily is a teeny tiny island. It's called Malta. And then we have Modesty Skrillex. Thank you for stopping by. And then there's Otto Lang. I don't know if I said hi to you already. And there's Manuel as well. Hi everyone. Hi. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna put the controller down for a sec. I'll be right back in just 30 seconds. Hang on. So my goodness, I just had the scariest moment ever. I just refreshed my stream because I have 2 internet connections and 2 computers, so I can monitor my own stream from a different internet connection, so I don't use up the bandwidth, the one for streaming. That's why I got 2 internet connections. Anyway, so I refreshed this stream, and it says, streamer stopped streaming, video was interrupted. I'm like, no, what just happened? What just happened? I almost died. No, I don't live on a personal island, Playboy billionaire. No. No, it wasn't released earlier. It wasn't released earlier in some countries. It's a worldwide release on the 10th of May, like everyone else. It's just that my supplier got it earlier, and he's like, you can have it, you can have it, you can have it, you can have it. So the point is, he said I can have it. Hang on. Hang on. I need to check some more. Sorry, okay, so there's Jesse. Welcome, Jesse. And there was something else. Hang on. There was someone else I didn't say hi to. If I missed you, I'm sorry, man. Sometimes the stream is just... It's on PS4, Manuel. It's on PS4. I remind you of Lixian or Ixian. Who is that, Skrillex? I have no idea who that is. I have no idea who it is. Jesse, I don't know what you mean by... Alright, let's continue playing some Uncharted 4. I've been staring for a while now. I've been streaming for 3 hours already.
Woohoo! I can't believe I'm out. I can't believe I'm here with you in Italy, huh?
Yeah, me either. Just wish the circumstances.
This is the closest I'm going to be to
Well,
Nathan then.
the sights are a bit more enjoyable that way.
Oh, so this isn't your first time here?
No, it's more like third. Had a couple of odd jobs.
With Sullivan?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
How long will I be playing? That's a good question. Initially the intention was, the thing is, I got the game and I took out some hamburgers and some sausages, and I was gonna defrost them to start cooking. I'm like, I'm gonna play for about an hour, make myself a nice meal, and then, you know, finish up the stream and for 1 hour, and then the rest should probably go up as Let's Play videos, as it is on my YouTube channel. But I got carried away now. 3 hours later, I'm still playing, and I just put back my hamburgers in the fridge. So yeah, so I'm gonna be here for a while, I think. Now what?
And there's no way up onto that bridge.
But, oops, come back up. Yeah, up there. I can probably use a rope or something, no?
Well, there's that exposed beam underneath.
Oh, you think you can rope it?
Do I think I can rope it? Watch this.
I'm watching.
Booyah! Oopsie.
I missed.
See, it's all in the wrist. Here, let me see.
See?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Now what?
Attempt.
Hup!
Here we go.
Where do I go from here? Oopsie. I know where to go from here. While reaching, it's safe to jump. Yeah, but where do I go? I'm swinging like a monkey. Or Tarzan. I don't see a safe spot. I'm trying to figure out where I need to go from here. Order a pizza, Autumn, and give me a piece. I'm kidding. I'm on a low-carb diet. I won't be having pizza for the next 6 months. Because of summer. For the ladies, you know. Hang on. Let's try again. I don't know where I need to go. I might fail right now. I'm about to fail, probably. I'm about to fail, I think. Yeah, I told you I will. Did you hear that? That's my controller vibrating when I put it on the floor. Yes, I'm playing on the floor right now. You know, to be honest, I'm surprised there's so many people actually watching right now. Okay, I can change the direction of my swing. Fair enough. Because I'm pretty much spoiling it for everyone. But, I mean, it's up to you guys, really. Ooh, I made it.
You see that? Oh, like a pro.
He missed the opportunity to say like a boss.
Okay, so where to next?
No, I can't reach from here. Nope. What about there? Nope. Where is he going? Where did my brother go? Oh, okay, he dropped down one.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, as cute as it is, you're trying to backseat me, Triple Cube. Thank you for coming, but I don't appreciate people telling me what to do. And it's funny because nobody's played this, so press to drop. But yeah, I mean, you get away with this one because I know it's nobody's played this before, so it's cute that people try to backseat. It's cute. Okay, now what? Okay. Ooh, yes.
Okay.
Ooh, I did it. Oh, hang on. Looking at chat again. Oh my goodness. So what? So what, King Tim? So what? That's another thing. I mean, like, so if you're married, you don't look after yourself, huh? Huh? I still want to look good for my wife. Come on, man. Don't you agree? You still have to look good for your wife, King Tim. Hey. Booyah! What language do you speak in Malta? We speak Maltese. We speak Maltese. I know it sounds like.
Shh, hold up.
Per modo di dire, respira attraverso un tubo e forse non potrà più camminare.
Bene in lista.
Ehi, hai scommesso sulla partita?
Inghilterra vince.
Inghilterra, traditore.
Non confondere l'orgoglio nazionale con la realtà.
They were speaking Italian, guys.
Okay.
I suck. Who, me? I suck? Thank you. Who sucks? Who sucks? I suck. I suck. I don't get this. Is this something I'm not getting? No. Maltese is a unique language. It's like a cross.
Jesus, did you see him? That rented thug was packing some serious heat. Should have brought guns.
Sam, we're gonna pull this off so smoothly we won't need them.
I hope you're right.
What was I saying? Yeah, Maltese is a combination of English, Arabic, and Italian. It's its own language. It's a Semitic language. Like it's a made up. No, he doesn't suck. He doesn't suck just because he asked me. Wait, who sucks? Sam sucks. Why does he suck? You suck. Okay. No, I don't suck, Sam. I don't suck. If Ma says I don't suck, I don't suck. Anyway, what was I saying? So yeah, it's a mixture. It's a mixture language. English, Arabic. It's its own language. It's very unique. But I understand Italian. Well, if you don't like how I play, you can just go. Okay? Bye. I got distracted. I understand and speak Italian fluently and English. So I actually, those guys were speaking Italian, those guys that went in here. I actually could understand what they were saying. Favorite games of all time. Well, Uncharted series. The Last of Us.
Oh, those
I think The Last of Us is the best game I
It's
ever
the little
played,
things that
actually.
you missed the most.
Like what?
The smell of fresh citrus. Riding the motorcycle. It's little things, but they add up.
Manuel is trying to test me. He's trying to test if I speak Italian. And I will tell you, ho 30 anni. Ho 30 anni. But no, we speak English in this stream. Just an FYI.
I'm nearly there.
Be right back. And he's gone. And I sent another moderator as well. He's gone. Don't worry about him, guys. Don't worry about him. If I suck, you don't have to watch the game, buddy. You can just go. If I suck, I suck. People enjoy watching people suck. I enjoy watching other people suck sometimes. You learn. I need to pull this.
That should hold.
What should I do now?
Go for it.
There we go. Huh. Like a boss.
All right, come on down.
What command for my Twitter? You mean like a nightbot? I haven't assigned a nightbot yet, so sorry about that. I haven't assigned a nightbot yet.
So, your other wonderful finds. The ones I missed. You at least take any pictures?
I wish.
I don't think I have nightbot. I'm not so
Gamma
sure.
didn't make it.
Thank you, Skrillex. You're awesome.
I have some drawings, though. When we get back, I can show you.
You have drawings? What, are they up on the fridge or something?
No, they're good drawings.
I can't wait.
I don't see anything to climb here.
I don't either. And the thing is, I waste a lot of my time. I'm wasting a lot of my time during this gameplay because I keep looking at chat. You guys are distracting me. I'm kidding. It's awesome to have you all here. And if you're not subscribed, if you still haven't liked the video, please do. I appreciate it. It helps out. It's free of charge to like the video. Okay. Where do I go from here? Maybe I go up here? Let's see. Oh, there it is. There is something. No, but that's not. Okay, okay, I got it. My goodness, took me a while. There it is. That's what I need to do. There we go. Am I gonna do this? Hang on, turn around. 1, 2. I did it. I have to go up there? No. And now, I think that this will easily be the... No! I easily think that this is going to be Game of the Year for sure.
This looks promising.
I think you mean precarious.
Of course. Come on, move it. Come on, move it.
You okay up there?
Why'd you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, monkey.
Yeah, I'm good.
No, no, you idiot. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, get in there. Up there we go. This game looks gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna take a
It'd
screenshot.
suck if you missed right now.
It sure would.
Ah, okay, I did.
But I don't miss.
Ah, okay. Ooh. Okay, come on. Welcome back, Drew. Let's see some. No, no violence. Come on, man. Just some climbing, treasure hunting.
Thanks.
All right, Nathan. Nathan.
That was supposed to be stripper music, not porn music.
Okay. You all right?
Yeah. How do I look?
Like 400 million bucks. Let's go.
All right, I'm right behind you.
Sully?
Know what I love about partying with a bunch of crooks?
What's that?
Nobody cares if you smoke indoors.
It's been a while.
Too long, boyo.
You remember my dead brother, right? Victor?
I'll be goddamned. 15 years.
Yep.
Good to see you alive, Sam.
Let's try keeping him alive by getting this cross, huh?
Yeah, about that.
What about that?
Come on, let me show you something. Take a look.
That's Avery's cross.
They brought it out of storage just before you guys got here.
They changed the lot order.
Take a whole pile of cash to make that happen.
All right, well, how long before they start the bidding?
10, 15 minutes tops.
Well, there's got to be some way we can grab it.
There is just a small matter of a few hundred eyewitnesses down there.
Okay, but we just need a diversion.
Like?
Like I don't know. But there's got to be something.
If the guards see us making for that cross...
If they don't see us. Jesus, you guys act like you never spend time in prison. If you want something dirty done, then you wait for lights out.
Yeah.
Where's that electrical panel for this place?
There's ventilation. Electrical. That's it up here. So we just have to climb up there and kill the lights.
Grab the cross in the dark.
There will be an emergency generator.
And that'll give us a few seconds of darkness to work with.
Meaning we'll have to be right next to the cross when the lights go out.
Just There's no way we can get that close without being noticed.
Scusate, signore. Antipasti?
Mosse. Hi. How are you?
Ciao.
Would you focus?
The waiter wouldn't get noticed.
That could work.
Huh?
That will work. All right. All right, I'll get to the break room, kill the power.
You mean I'm the waiter?
You're the best pickpocket.
What?
You head down to the floor, keep your eye on the prize, okay? Let us know if anything, hinky goes down.
Roger that.
All right. Listen, we still got this. Ready?
Ready. All right, follow me. We'll cut through the cellar.
And we're back.
Gotta say, Victor, the years have been kind to you.
Thanks. I chalk it up to going vegan.
Really?
Are you kidding me? Hell no.
It's a beautiful place. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's fantastic. I'm sorry, I had to take a picture. Sorry, I appreciate the graphics so much. Anyway, moving on. Scusi?
Scusi?
Oh, should I speak to her? She looks pretty. What's up, girl? How you doing? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Look at him trying to dodge her. I actually like protein shake. True. I actually liked protein shake. Look at True taking care of himself for summer. Because he needs to be one of those, you know, those good-looking beach guys in California. Huh? Hang on, what's this? Read. Oh, wow, a lot to read. Rossi Estate Auction. Lot order, page 1 of 3. Auction starts promptly at 1900. All bids final. All payments are required by midnight tonight. Shill bidding and or fair to pay for your items will result in severe penalties. Transport of your items, if required, can be arranged with the Rossi managers. Lot number. I'm not going to read these.
And we see this crepe vendor outside with his car. So I go over there, and I want to impress her. So I order a crepe with sugar.
That's a good one. Eventually the boss. 7.8. Come on. I don't mind that as long as it's a good story, good visuals, good music, good voice acting, and all that. Rotate, nothing. Put away. It's a good game.
Cellar's just through there. Let's go.
This place is fancy. Of course they.
Why did they split up? I'm going after Sully because he's my buddy.
Pardon me?
Here we are.
Hey, let's do this.
Yeah, it's all for the beach, bud. 6-pack for the win. I'm working for that too as well.
Hell, it's locked.
Shit, it was open earlier.
Now what? Can we pick it?
No, it's electronic.
We're gonna have to find another way in.
You see that?
Key card, back left pocket.
Yep, I'm on it.
Whoa. You sure you want to do that? There's a lot of eyes out here.
I think I can handle a simple lift.
All right.
All right, let's follow up the waiter. Let's be sneaky. Hello, Mr. Waiter. L2. Slowly. How do you do this?
Oh, real smooth.
I'm not even trying yet.
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. You can do this. No, man. Why did the progress bar stop?
Shit.
You, need some pointers?
No, just... That's all.
Okay. What do you say we just run it like the old days, okay? I do the interference, you make the grab, right?
Yeah, good. Go.
Where'd the waiter go? I was looking at chat. Oh, him. There he is. Now what?
Scusi. Buonasera. And good evening to you. I see my accent has betrayed me once again. Trust me, I have had much worse. I've seen you ordering the waiters around. Is this your thing? You run the show here? I handle events for Mrs. Rossi, including the auction. Oh.
Come on, buddy.
Certainly be worse than this fellow. This is her statement. One up.
I need to keep focusing on the pants.
Oh. This jealous. This one is particularly special. How so? Has been,
That was awesome. That was awesome.
And he doubted.
Yes, Nolan North is an excellent voice actor.
Marcus.
Monsieur Lanza, do you remember us? Are you still working on repatriating refugees? I sent it to Ray.
Pleasure to watch professionals at work.
There we go. Like a boss.
Okay. All right. Let's try this again. We'll still need these.
Great.
Good luck.
We'll be in touch.
I tried to grab the man's butt, but I couldn't. Uh-oh.
Hands in the air. Hi, Victor.
Hello, Nadine. Pleasure to see you again.
Only this time, I've got the drop on you.
Well, I guess I should be glad that's not a real gun. Hardly recognize you out of your fatigues.
Yeah. You know how it is. Every once in a while, a job requires us to get all dolled up. Looking sharp, by the way.
Not too bad yourself.
Feel so out of place here. Can't tell you what a relief it is to run into another English speaker. Even if you are American.
They'll have to blame my parents for that one.
I was on my way to the bar. Can I get you something?
Yeah, scotch. On the rocks.
Be right back.
Date? Catch all that?
Yes, I did. Sounds like the lady's trying to buy you a drink.
Yeah, Nadine Ross is buying me a drink.
Nadine Ross? Wait, doesn't she own that Army for Hire? It's called Coastline?
Shoreline.
Yeah, right. But you had a run-in with them.
It's putting it mildly. Fortunately, she does not seem to be holding a grudge.
I'm good to go here. All right. Listen, we're all set, Sully. You, stay out of trouble, okay?
I'll try.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's do some action.
Gotta find where the waiters and caterers are hanging out.
Yeah, lure one out of the kitchen, probably.
Then let's go find the kitchen.
Man, there's enough food down here to feed a small town.
I wonder if they host weddings.
Oh, yeah. He took off his bow
Full-service
tie.
site.
Why,
Weddings,
man? Why don't you stay
mitzvahs,
classy?
Black market auctions.
I love bow ties. Is somebody coming this way? No?
Crap. You see a waiter in there?
Nah, just more heavily armed goons.
The hell is this? This gate wasn't on the blueprint. Locked, of course. Okay, plan B. I told you it's locked.
Trust, but verify.
And?
It's locked.
Right.
Where do I go from here? Up there. Yeah, we can do that. Come on, we can do that. Come on. Nope. I want a cellar like this one, with all the wine. I have a feeling it's up there we need to go, but for some reason the game doesn't want to reveal it yet. Oh, there he is. Sorry, there's a door over there. Oh, no, it's not a door. What's this? Push.
See some fence up there. Nathan, come check this out. I got something.
There we go. Let there be light.
Got electrical in this joint.
Don't suppose you brought a... Yeah, that'll do. I guess it's always a good idea to bring a smoker along. Unless you need to run.
Oof. Man, I'm starting to get a little drunk off the fumes in here.
Oh, good thing Sully's driving.
Funny. Nope.
Dead end.
Yes,
maybe the
exactly,
vent
that's what I was
access is
thinking.
behind these casks.
That's a lot of really rare vintage.
Yeah, maybe Alcazar can just settle for some good wine.
That something tells me that's not gonna fly.
Okay. No, 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 no. Something like that. No, this is... No. I made the boo-boo.
Hey, she'll be worried that Victor's chatting up Nadine Ross. I mean, heard some...
It's true, I was just thinking the same thing, true. I was just thinking the same thing. It's so quiet with 40 people. I think we've got 40 lurkers. It's okay, I don't mind as long as everybody behaves. Behave. Oh, behave. Okay, this is weird. We got stairwell leading to nothing. This is very suspicious. I will play it to the end, but not in this stream. I really gotta go, huh? Nope. Oh, that's it. Now I see what needs to be done. Okay. So that's that. Alton just got his pizza. Yummy, yummy. Hope he's gonna be polite and offer us a slice. Is he gonna offer us a slice? Everybody's lurking. Everybody's quiet, watching the story develop. Watching. I want to play it, Coldfall, I want to play it till the end, but, I mean, I will play it till the end, but not in this stream, because...
this way.
I really gotta go. I've been streaming for 3 hours and a half. It was supposed to be a 1-hour stream, just to try it out.
Hey, look, the vents. That's our way out.
So, yeah, this is the way out, probably.
Yeah, I got it.
What kind of pizza is it,
or
Alton?
anything.
I'm holding the light.
What kind of pizza is it?
Lighter.
Margarita. Trying to figure out what's going on here. Okay. There we go, up there.
Okay, up we go. Right there. That's smaller than it looked, huh?
And a lot more dusty. Shh. Damn it.
Cosa portiamo a quello?
And Baldy looks like my size, too.
There's no shortage of waiters around here.
Tanto non capirebbe la differenza.
Questa gente non piace aspettare.
Questa gente meriterebbe un calcio nel culo, altro che.
Questa gente potrebbe farci ammazzare. Prendi una bottiglia da 3 euro.
You know what they were
E
saying? You know what they were saying? It was like they were like saying, serving these people wine. They can't even tell the difference between good wine and bad wine. I just want to kick all these people in the butts. And then he told him these people would kill us, kind of. It's so cool. I can understand what they were saying. Okay, anyway, let's go. Pepperoni, yummy. You see, doing a low-carb diet, the only thing I miss the most is pizza. Not fries, not bread, not rice. It's just pizza. I miss pizza. Really?
Crap. Back this way.
What?
Okay.
True. I don't want to get in the way of you doing your homework, buddy. Come on, get up there. How do I get up there?
Shh. You shh.
A slice by FedEx. Sure.
Ehi, un po' di continui. Dove diavolo si procurano tutta questa roba?
Sono pezzi rubati ai ricettatori.
Yeah, I miss
Fresh air, here we come.
Ah, fresh air.
Hey, check this out. See that building with the radio tower?
You mean the cell tower?
The what? Whatever. Listen, that's the power room.
Yeah, you're right. Let's see how we get past this gate.
Up here.
Sam, up here. I'll boost you up.
True is right.
Good thing you kept in shape.
True is right. There you go.
There you go.
Through nose.
Sully, we just got out of the
Or
wine
do you speak
cellar.
from
Heading to the
experience,
power
Joe?
room
Huh?
now.
Have
How's
you
it
been
looking?
in vents before?
Sully, you there? Must be a bad spot for a signal. Hopefully he's doing okay.
Bingo. Found the kitchen.
Cucina.
And of course, it's locked.
There it is. Up there, buddy.
Sam, look. Maybe we can use that, find a window, drop into the kitchen.
That's a good idea. I'll boost you up and you take care of the ladder.
He's gonna boost me up, okay.
Got it?
Heads up.
Well, oh, hang on.
Buonasera.
Ma che sta facendo?
Easy on the civilians, Sam.
What? So he wakes up with a headache in his underwear. We've both been there before, right?
Right.
Oh, I got mine.
They're gonna steal their... Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's get to the power room.
Well, I'm gonna stop very soon. I don't know if I'm gonna finish the heist. I don't know how long it's gonna take to finish the heist.
Sam, you good?
Yeah, these pants are just a little bit too tight.
Well, that's the style these days.
Really? Oh, in Rome.
Nah, because we're in Italy.
I'll definitely continue it over the weekend for sure. I'll probably continue it tomorrow. I'll set an appointment, a calendar appointment. Well, not a calendar appointment. I'll do a subscription thingy.
Sully?
On my YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe so you get the alert. But I'll continue this over the weekend. For sure. For shizzle, my nizzle. But I gotta get to work now. And I was hoping to get a nap, take a nap before. Take a nap before work, but I don't think that's gonna happen now. You're a big boy, True. Stop bragging. Come on, come on. I don't know how I did it. But this is the way to go. There we go, up there. We can do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness.
Oh, shit!
I can't believe you got away with that.
Oh, we did not. No, we had our liberty taken away for a month.
And what about the horse?
Fortunately, we had a lot of carrots on board.
Recognize someone?
No. I thought I did, but no.
But when am I finally going to meet that partner of yours? Drake?
Well, that's ex-partner. Yeah, I've been flying solo for a while now. Drake's out.
Oh, like dead?
Oh, no. Oh, he's retired. Last I heard, he settled down, got married.
Well, then he might as well be dead, right? Victor Sullivan. How the hell are you?
Rafe?
How long has it been? 10 years? 12?
15.
It's amazing. All these years gone by, here we are, we're still haggling over dead.
It's Matt! It's Albert frickin' Wesker!
Aren't you running your parents' business?
My business now.
Did you just wake up, man?
Oh, that is one hell of a day job. You could probably afford to buy up everything on the block tonight.
Well, sure. But what would be the point in that? And these days, I'm only looking for the good stuff. Big scores. Any advice on what I should pick up tonight?
Yeah. I think I want to bid against him. But, just between you and me, I did notice they changed the order. I think somebody might be trying to rig this auction.
Well, remember where we are. This crowd didn't get rich by playing fair.
Which is why you really need someone watching your back in a place like this.
Ah. Well, I do hate to break it to you. You are working for an American.
We've partnered up on this one.
See. Talk about a power couple.
In a few moments, we'll begin bidding on our next item, an inlaid wooden crucifix from the Trott estate.
Well, I know when I'm a third wheel. You two kids have fun tonight.
Just hold on, Sully. How'd you find out about it?
It? What it is that, Rafe? Nadine, I think your partner here has had too many Bloody Marys.
Cut the bullshit, old man. I don't know how you scammed your way in here, but if you think about bidding on Avery's Cross, I can tell you exactly how you're going to be leaving in a goddamn
Rafe!
fight. Well, you get my point.
Lovely seeing you both. Nate? Nate? God damn it, kid, where the hell are you?
Visuals look fantastic, my goodness.
Okay. Power room.
Okay.
I can do this.
He just woke up. Yeah, I was on that stream actually. I saw your retweet, and I went in and I watched them for a bit. Then I fell asleep. Then I didn't watch the whole thing. But yeah, I was there. I didn't speak. I was just lurking. I need to drop down, I think. Hang on. Stop swinging, Nate. So yeah, we're playing some Uncharted 4. I was going to say 3. I got it early. Lucky me. And the 1 hour stream turned into a 3.5. Oh my goodness, almost 4. I need to get some rest before work. Oh my goodness, I really gotta go. One last swing, and here we go. And you know what, Matt? I've been getting so many backseaters playing this game. Oh my goodness, like you wouldn't believe. I couldn't keep up with the backseaters. That's the best part of playing a game nobody's ever seen yet. Nobody knows what to do. I had some guy telling me I was sucking, but anyway, he's gone now. He's perma-banned. Of course I suck. I'm playing this game for the first time, and I'm playing it on normal difficulty, I think. I have backseat on request. And I played this on normal difficulty. I'm playing this on normal difficulty. Plus, I'm trying to keep up with chat. Of course I'm being distracted. Look at him, he's got the ring. He's got the wedding ring. So cute. Now, which way? This way. No, I can't go up there. Really? Okay, turn around the corner, go up there. Hop. I will, IAce. I will accept your request, don't worry. I will accept your request, not I will forget. Can I go up there? No, hang on. No, I can't go up there. So, the camera's annoying me, come on. Over there, and up there, and up there, and up there. Can I go in through here? Nope. But I can go up, nope. The window's open, I can go through here, yeah? No? Still? Power room, this is the power room. It's not backseating an unreleased game is one thing. Ooh, I thought I finished my drink. I have more. Backseating an unreleased game is fine because I mean sometimes you can catch something that I didn't. I'm looking around like where do I go? Where do I go? And people can go be like on your left, as it happened earlier. So that's fine. 54 people in here. Are you kidding me? Seriously? 54 people. Oh my goodness. Welcome everybody. So that's fine. It doesn't annoy me that much. What I hate is when I'm playing a game for the first time before everyone else and telling you suck. Come on, man. Come on, chill. So anyway, if you're here, it's your first time watching, please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe and all that stuff. I'll try my best not to disappoint. I'm gonna be playing this game for the weekend for sure. So there'll be more Uncharted before release. I was very hesitant in streaming this because I thought maybe I'll get banned or something. I'll have my account suspended. There we go. Booyah. Now which way?
Here we go. Now.
They're definitely not in the lockers, but I'm just looking around for fun. Just trying to appreciate the design of the game.
Ah, crap. Sam, Sully, you there?
God damn it, kid, where the hell have you been?
I made it. Had a few close calls, but...
Yeah, well, if you're gonna cut the power, now would be a good time.
No, it's very smooth. The gameplay is super smooth.
We don't have a minute. Rafe's about to walk out of here with your cross.
Wait, what? Rafe? Rafe is here?
Yes, Rafe is here and is
Right now, he has the highest bid.
Well, outbid him.
outbid him with buttons.
That's that kind of scratch.
Sully, we're stealing it, remember?
What if he calls my bluff?
He won't.
We have 90,000. Do I hear any more bids?
Guys, if we do not get this cross, I am as good as dead.
Yeah. Well, I end up with the highest bid. We're all dead.
Sully, I need you to buy me more time.
Since we have no other bids.
Trust me.
Going once, going twice.
Screw it.
Bene, we have
My
100,000
goodness.
euros in the room. Thank
This
you.
is so
Do
awesome.
we have any other bids? We now have 110,000 euros in the room.
Aim for a pound.
Goodness.
That bid brings
Don't
us
worry.
to 120.
We'll be out of there in no time.
I better be.
Okay.
It's okay, I got Naughty
Just
Dog's
gotta smash
permission.
the lock.
They're my friends.
What?
No, oh my goodness, I need to rush.
Nothing. Damn it.
Come on, we need to do this. And then I'll end the stream because it's getting late. Late for me.
Yeah,
My
give me a
goodness.
sec.
I was supposed to be streaming at 60 frames per second. Something went wrong. It's not streaming at 60 frames per second. There it is. Yes, crowbar. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
180,000 euros in the room. Bidding has now reached
Sully is bidding with no money. He's bidding with using hair. That's what my dad said. When you don't have money, use hair. Bid with hair. Okay, there we go.
All right, boys, I'm at the switch. You ready?
As I'll ever be, Victor.
Just a sec.
The gentleman's bid, 210,000 euros.
500,000. Let's get the show on the road here.
Thank you. We have 500,000 euros in the room. Does the gentleman wish to bid again?
Had me worried there for a minute, Victor. Thought I might have to kill you.
Okay. Let's ruin this asshole's evening.
I don't want to end the stream here. This is so awesome.
We are going once. Going twice. Then I shall sell it for 500,000 euros. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain calm. The
No, it
buck of
won't.
power will come on
Oh, it
shortly.
did. It's gone! Oh my goodness! The heist is complete, True!
Move it! Get out of the way! Stop him! Hey, stop that guy! Fermo! What are you doing? You letting him get away? You speak Spanish.
He's telling me to disappear.
What?
Sparishi means disappear. Vanish. Oh, it is so awesome!
Sam, tell me you got the cross.
I got St. Dismas right here. You want to say hi? Yeah, we really kicked the hornet's nest.
Hi Harish, thank you for coming by. This will be released on the 10th of May, which is Tuesday, coming Tuesday. But I'm gonna have to stop here because I really need to eat something and get some rest before my work shift starts in 2 hours. Oh my goodness. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm gonna end the stream here. Yeah, there was somebody who told me that I sucked, but it's okay. It's okay. Of course you suck. It's your first time playing the game ever. Of course you suck. Plus I'm interacting with the chat. I had what, 50 people watching, apparently 57 now, my goodness. So yeah, I mean, of course I suck, but come on, be nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to stop here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna be streaming. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna put another kind of the appointment for another stream tomorrow. Okay? Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. If you enjoyed the sound of my voice or me rambling about nothing, pretty much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!